I don't know, say a war PPA Act war. That is Act 2003.
Because
and oh,
a hard dream.
Say, and 70 will now dash around a partner with tia. Now, I will say, for a tuna, Fako Bobby 3 manu.
Yeah, for 2 years, they are not back. Because you are more yano, because ya. Hey, yo. Now you see, you can't sama, because me, but Mamma Chas.
It is over for Metro Mass. What Tifro?
Mamma Chas me fro. Mamma Chazaya, Maslow, regional boss.
Yeah, Maslow boss.
But me Chazaya says, you can't sama won't ye. Was send the message, but I respond to message and I was sending. Okay. You can't sama won't ye. Me can't sama Mahama cotton bus 2,500. Me say Mahama demonstration. First one, on bottle washing cars. Emma,
person just say, Wana.
Me say Mahama demonstration. First one, on bottle washing cars. My photo be man can say, Bas and Mahama now washing. So I'm on total 2,500. As I can't sama ya won't ye. Menu no, but this time you find you assembly now for some you be hit that one ni trino so correct na nyama akọ me nka say Mahama and akọ ton bass no 2,500 me say Mahama administration e twam no sa na omo yen and it's a fact fact almost so wash cars bi ma akọ photo no low court anya do omo yen no ye to omo mu ha ye to omo mu ha ye to omo mu ha na aban bi kwa aban cars ye de ma omo mbe so aban ni so omo fanko enya ku fado ne ka say sa de no onye de won to so bi ana ko se me bua
also so no crampon still
okay
obe ko rebu ye bi
ebimu efa abai cars ya eno so evidence
renia AC wo gihok ma so kofi juma
enya asem ni eti aza ye ka asem muntie ne ye ka no enya mo kwa na mo de mo ya mo politics ye enya politics ne ye wa ha no pa yo ye ka dokre ni para ga sumu abai ka no wafa both NPP and the mo nya sa de na Royal sa wo manye ko 4 time wo manye atane Mahama bedi 8 years o manye akufa do bali me po de na say for me na cast we akodi di nkofo no
o cast de bebere nko amanfa la process for manye even when Mahama left office Mahama every abai mu a MPP bae no say wa amanfo we Land Cruisers me yankoje
eje to mamu ha
NDC for we Land Cruisers amankoje jamfiri obo
ya ka se na Azaya wototo ababa park no so enye equalization ame e ade omumiere omo ye both NPP and NDC bo bra mo bono no
fact
we NPP de na aba na ye ka but mo so bra mo bono no ya chika na
fact
ne para be so mo aban mu wi a na aban ka na ode ko enye ade omo ye no
pepepe
but the can say the SCC ano enye
ne nam go apaso do
Azaya wo de toto message wo de send bra en fami ho me say no kra e ba ko pe both NPP and
Azaya person che say
I was say me ya bias am ya ne de
bias ne
o mi fi no me ka de kra sem na cha wo no mo say NPP ne dis fojo mo pe ne kra wo ka de kra pe o ya bias me ya bias me ka de kra sem na cha Azaya ya kra
Azaya ne office ho not no
ya nya kra
Azaya office ho obaye se na na obetena ha anya ne interview Azaya wa hase ya obitu dwa o kase
o kira kofo a o ma de sika o mantua san kofo na Azaya ebubo mu di so ma be sika o mantua na nya NPP for
ko ya NPP for
and dini bo akwa wo so ntimi nka nya ne ti studio asei na na o kasa ansem no wo kan na wo so ma Azaya aban free so
ye beti
na NPP emra same thing and any poor better be say Azaya Munkrofo no be jiji score man de o mantua na no odi an kan wo ka radio say woni nana ya kese ko so mo pe be say Maslock be say omo
ya ma omo
Azaya munyai san hwehwe no mu na
Azaya to nchede yen ka metro mass buses na asem no
ye ka asem a mo
313 buses
ade no
eno nya Mahama aban ene ton ye
menka say dia Azaya jai menka say Mahama
ni ame no mi ye ka nyina ne say sa asem wei eni se ekoko ye allow man shem pass
ko si dia wo kan me no ya
deputy MD of Metro Mass no dia asem wei atudwa and in any way ekwai bi aso no this issue must be investigated.
Yes, because me no ya adwen wo say e ya ban ejapade e Ghana for dia enti eno kwa say ye ton sa ye tell no what the aba ye hwehwem he for na to bus no because ye timi ton bus kakraka we 2005 na kwa say microphone e ka 7 boy sen because he had full show to director na toy
yes
Say director wa ha no poya. Ye me say say headphone oto ne sen. Obi hu ne price. Headphone you ne bo anya boketwa. Microphone ya kasami ne bo anya boketwa na whole bass
2500.
Na your microphone say cross say director say
2500 by 313 ebe ye dey.
It is no. It is because microphone stands here or any microphone is director say onyo so biem enti obono ochina because what has is kaketwa na a whole bath you yetimi aton 2500
yes
e wo my Ghana mu say deputy MD na abeka akakosi yenim
e she ho
the year 2020 na ton you
one will say papa no niame me hu ye ne say Ghana mpanimfo wo mo ye kataso momu aso including Azaya
eni na meka no
Ghana mpanimfo
doso nya atwemre doso
wo mo ye kataso momu aso efo so
hypocrisy
because say papa we enye se nansen aka ho eye den won kran
nko beka
amanfo ebimu ebo say ono ene ne boss wo mu dwumadi wo mu di ebon kan anka o meka we
nko meka
oba ye zo hu
anka we
otiso e won office
carpet na say under the carpet ka ye nte ho hwe kayente ho hwe aseda ne yemfa manyame se ka ho ayeden e won kan kumase ne wabeka
313
oh yeah deputy manager
if you have a government one sector we kwanya sector a office ana different department kra of aban enema
ye ni se ya
na ye ni se ya nti we metro mass nko ahụ
na diake
nso
ni me no so ya under the carpet ya ni me na consider deputy MD ne last year na onye deputy MD
last year na onye deputy
I don't know why kasa asem wi abaya sesa se si an resetting agenda Ghana mampanyini slim sija tajondro amani mahama anopa mi tu chairman me chia no me bona baso was we reset Ghana because yes anity
yes
ya ke no for ya ta
I always tell people say if you are a Ghanaian
okay
and the ills in the system for which must be spoken to now one can wasema you are a traitor
we man boyeni
and this very man a woman si wabeka but not a traitor to this nation
and I say make say o mampani John Dramani Mahama Ghana mampani Ghana PC slim sija ta say a resetting agenda a resetting agenda the day last year what now you resetting yama now what now last year
I am afi nkofo soja gusu
afi na beka eni na so mampani pam no because say the power o mampani na ni so de hunu so be resetting Ghana no emam eti o mampani me ginidi o mampani o ye bold Ghana mampani me say no pa me tu chairman me ginidi o ye adwuma wan ya betwa makoyi de wo so o ye no waye
oh yes
je wo so mampani ye no me bona ba so waye say papa we deputy MD no pam no wonya papa on ka no kore o pam no even though obeka no kore kire but too late
too late too long a time
ya reset Ghana kwasi
and
ya reset Ghana enti
many who say right now
because ya pam no
say wako aban mu na wako hu say ade bi e wo ho no ma atwetwe aso na wote so a e wo say hu ankasa no wo yo ntuma yi
yes
na ofura ni yi because nya enya e wo system ni mu no ene ye ka ho asem
very bad o man penny resetting agenda ye tanachi or reset it from last year or ye niema correct ye tanachi but se niema bi se bekoso na se obi o man penny so reset o man na nipa na tran afi no obeka dia na se nipa no person obebo o man penny enti we no meto nkra e de ama wona ebe o man penny ene ye ko akire so me no so o man penny obete obi a wo mo na man resetting agenda no emfie na e de ama no ai eda nanim no emamu won o man penny pam no o man penny wonyi hypocrites for nyina free na bam na o mo ya real ono o mo nya adwuma obi a wo ye fake bi o man penny nyina free na bam na o mo ni da ho o mo ya o madre so o mebo na man resetting agenda no abam no wonye because o man no kwasi o man ni breo kwasi timamu fo breo hweso man panyine John Dramani Mahama ne second coming GM wayama dollar so ate cause by best 4 cities ana meboa
yes 4 cities
wayama petrol so ate by best 4 cities ana cause meboa meboa me sem o man panyine mabo me sem ma no na die tira sanyama boarding wo Ghana for ya dream bi ada yitrim ya dream bi ada yitrim obi atere dia so obi so on tene dia so na ye ni se ya enti abeboa ene to mo mpanyi no fa ne nansi fam kofobia o mo mpeso o mo beboa no ama amamu pa no opesi wo bu no abamu no wo to wana mo what one more because there's no reason explanation be na be ma say dollar swat by 4 cities petrol swat by 4 cities na still cause lorry fare yente so cause nema bi bo da so ye den cause mentiasi o.
All right. Mr. Kayaso on TSU na won so we dey enisa na pay ni nkomai. Na wo yam fast dem from Rock East Guest House. Wo mo ewo anwem kwantempo no so. Sa wo pe accommodation restaurant wo hono bar wo hono ye wo conference hall. Ye san so ewo barbering saloon. Enti bomodin na for one 24 hours security ewo ho. It was spacious car park. Rock East Guest House where every day is a great day. Friday 0540536618 0540536618 Rock East where every day is a great day. Salanso and a Dawood Herbal Center for more edit Dawood products no aba edwaso. Ya Dawood 360 I don't hear the two sasabro any kuku ase. We see the yeah, don't worry. Mawonsa enka eye Dawood 360 capsule sasabro ene sisi yade. Nia na poso yade ya nobody pains and so onkonko pe eye Dawood ointment. Into what the ointment in etwitwi no na wo me capsules no bi eno ano no. Ye fa ni twi na memene. Na se malaria ha wonuma to da wontumi di also so ete wo so a mawonsa nka Dawood Herbal Mixture eno nyina every Dawood Herbal Hospital a ewo asanwe so. Ubetumi afre 02448864 37 and 0201 681717 Dawood Herbal Hospital womundo ndie eyenupa nebom the bros phone service esebra boada kabrosa ne mu odwunase abrosa ne soro eho ene yewo ye ton phones ahodo nyina bi phone bia opebia ye obi open laptops so ye obi phone protectors phone covers phone glass yesan ewo power banks Fraying 0550981107 and 0543531524. The Bros phone service was a quality, affordable phones and gadgets. Now about when no one utri in Japan may come for the Moses utri now utri enye kama. Sa wo pie o, sa wo kwa adwuma o, ba bibia wo ko bia wo se utri eye kama de. For one chiremu our superior hair and beauty supply. Ya wo mahina bros anemu odwuna ase ye ben adom coastal. Bra ye besiesi otru aye kama e de amount into betimi so afra 0242449977 and 0555568100 nebom 21st century Ghana ye wo mu de obi aja to himself building and construction eno na ema omano etre erunti anapay so open blocks ato say aye pavement blocks hollow blocks solid blocks and as a covet e de akwakodi udwuma ebunso beboa amoma no atumpo na aye kese dia ene fo ni ekremu ewo eye generic block factory honum ene ye ton blocks papa bobe top blocks we yaso ya ye de beko ama free obia enje wo hwe ebinso na wosan epeka ato free monone fre eye generic ewo 0246442742 and 0244194177 and abeba yaso ye ewo anwem kwantempo no so ye ben Rock East Guest House. And it's time for you to speak to us. Let's hear you. 0536304072 0322296342. Your take this morning on what has been discussed. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay. Hello.
Good morning.
Me pacho udini wasem.
Original Fico.
Fico. My inti wana pay.
Na adina Ghana 4.4. Where is time san ko bubo mu nyina tu.
Yamo mutu.
Nenya kwasa sen.
Sorry Tobo.
Na moto mam gas ka to ne sen. Ominya mi eduma.
Ozo ona nya mentina be bia wo Fico na pay. Nya men sure 0536304072 0322296342. Hello, good morning. Oh, okay. ma yenhwe na I don't know banya technical hitch kakra ewa ase but still obetumi afre ede wadwenche abeboaye ewo dwumadi eso 0536304072 0322296342 eno ena ye line anapa ye dia to a ye nyina ye di edi dwuma nti frɛ now so for wadwenche no ebeboa me ewo dwumadi eso ma menhwe ofre for wa ase anapa. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho udini was man pay.
Pacho, yes, let me catch you.
Mpacho mamintio.
The pacho, number card bass is the last one. And I'm person the same.
Mpacho mitio.
Bass, no, I'm saying, Abia, minimum dear, when the two so seven. I said, bass, no, and your bass is asking. I'm more time, more senior, and their bass, the DA, and it's got to be an India, said here. A bass, I said, we didn't see me. And I only say a bus stop, yeah, Toma, you go for because the walk out to see a cry. I will use a can of sell cry now in your share. On them, no matter one in some moment about you.
Meaning, pa.
And I said, pass a year and a banner. You need to be the master that I sat on bus that the class or pursue via a banner or October 2000 after the no better than winning.
Mate.
And your boss, India, and I'm constant. Many panel are 2005 maybe this would be the idea.
Mate, medasi, anyone so adjure or no so dear no. Yo. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Wakola about that as a return of Sokada Boina.
Mamintio.
Anopema, Mecha, Blasenia, Dr. Mamadu Bowman. I'm in church, I'm in chair, mistaker, or board man, none of it. So, as a man can have more just Abaso. Now, I branch with Mimi who say, and yeah, empty in one of us, or person that should be in your post. Oh, the oil, of course, you are that should be making a deed. Like in tell them, okay, and I over channel suit to that. When I'm so feel flat up on my bepa. Na me Asiano. Na Zaya, Nizamo Akitano. Ebia when Nizamo ya discussion. Momo to anya politics na muyo, mo kanya dabwa, omano. It is omutia, some no mutia ye. Na no mutia kopomna. I'm Paco from Nipple, I attitude and president, community mentor. Omunka wasam.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. So, I'm Ghana from Penny for the Pen of Crew. Then, motor car, cry at one say, Nabas. No plan of Hamon Kamayanti, the
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
me patch already be what you can for.
Malab Zach, you because of
Malab Zach, I mean, too.
Yo, the Martinez, my farm with the Mawes of the Ghana by me. Oh, say, but you for no, or more to see a yeah, mamma for. Because this year, to Mr. Bino say, yeah, don't put it. And you have to afford to say, Kukuma, Cano, and my. Oh, look at the Kuka with Mexica. And I am going to hear on school. What it is after I compare with you. Oh, I'm buying no fun in 90 from now. That channel. All
right, Medasi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Ben.
Yes.
Mammy, you want to pay?
I'm paying my master, image my Benya Mobo. Namitia and Penny Poor. I end this in Penny Quite try and when she na go NC about Senia and okay, you might be a weapon of an assay. The question I know then. Yes, Rena me a home then the man. Now, member, yeah, Bema or Bosom so abaso. The can say on that read machines, I know. Or chicha, Kaya, who do you mean? I am Shran on Yanakasi. And I'll play my original minister and the original chairman. No, yeah, I will see me. I may come home. Miss as I am so. Let's take a look at I am about the bacho. Bye bye.
Yeah, that's it. Vim, I don't want to so there. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Papa Chowudini was aye.
No more, what you don't want to I'm from what you are. I'm from no. And I say, I won't pay that. And that's ya, my pay my hammer. And I love them to the sea. I'm not from what you want to say. I'm not from my unit. I'm one sana. Sana no me ni. I'm not going to I move to at 25 to at 25 minutes.
Oh, all right. On also end to me and you know 0536304072 0322296342. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Papa Chowudini.
How are you?
Papa
Chowudini.
Yenti ono.
They are on the Magma. We are. I admire Ed. If you have a papa, most of you know for a monk. Na maybe a big capita, some catch a Muslim fair man.
Wow. Okay, I have my last call. I have good evening, Semro. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Kayaso.
Yeah, I'm Pajo Woodin.
I don't claim because I'm simple.
All right, Mr. Kayaso.
Kayaso, as I posted by say, it was the NDC MPP, Ghana for the Ampiano College. Sardine, yeah, now, well, a bassa, a hoop bassa, the price. Yes, because when you follow, I am aware, if you are where the Cabamano, can you show a bank, can you show? All bear. I am kind of young piano quality. Because, yeah, say a back or bass, but once you dream, I do a type of the two, do a before and say, time, and I say you can come in. Now we just one more commercial says with the low price. Yakaka was my car. Obi say wabona baya benso no so I be the ninty. Na abaya e chi ono so opeso cancer. Yam pia no kwale na me am fa no kwale mbu a man oba say.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, Mini Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Kayaso wabo juma ya nsia. In fact, in sending me say na ya sorry a. Papa kuma se ne interview so.
Mpacho yentio.
I mean, thank you for you are Chairman Benjamin Williams, working off regional campaign coordinator for Dr. Bowman. Many are some work on I am quick. Now, my year research can cover science over the data I buy. In fact, Bass now, Yatono, a year Bassa, Enko, Nemma. I say, a banker be a chain PB to sway this MP now.
Papa Kumasi. And it will be sold to you, but you, Papa Kumasi, will go and service the vehicle and be using it. So, okay, Mpacho.
Can sabi. Me ma ton condemn card. What you say? Na kia price. Sabi kia price. I will ton condemn card. Every two ton mo dey 6,000. But even granted say can akọ condemn. Yes, sabi say ko ye kra puna. And yes, I know say be can dey. Eje. To bobi ebe abem. Ogo na me pese me establish atem no.
Okay.
Mpacho. Kwanya even say you condemn cra because your individuals are omo cars condemn e be original so ha base church cars aton condemn and no crampo no yam to fa what you say ono na America dey so no nemo je and mabu na air politics no on say ni Azaya na o can say be yama politicians no omo adi en sekan ejanan kan no kenema politicians yes sir because say omo ya sa adi na instead say yama bu no and the politics ni kitaye no the best story here na ya kawo nsam no anya so yam panin fo no so na da bia sa no ma we ko so ya da ni o ma to no o ka je kana ko panin fo bo to mo ya ta re bia ma e bo to mo o ti da bia sa no panin fo ba ye o ka ya Hyundai i10
yes
na eka sa na wo president Abraham this ba fi
ya chiche mama Kanasa ya chama ma item.
Okay. Hyundai item is all kinds of car.
Messi ya chama ma item. Hyundai item ya chama ma. Our presidency.
And so Isaiah, well, one can Land Cruiser yet to come out. Land Cruiser. Yet to Land Cruiser 3,000. Land Cruiser D8. And this Abraso. Oh, but Yama Bruno. say for yes idea we make about as radio ya koso no ha MPP problems that koso make condemn make because can o mama me bi o me ti mama me bi oh yes you pen for don't say yes idea we mabru no ebubefu etuma ma yes but omo ya na say you glorify omo a da bia idea we kwa na be koso yes anya adebia na also ye defend yakokwe maburanse yakokwe communicators no anya adebia na say defend adeba na say nya yenka say enye nya ka so moni ya nya
papa ko ma se bedase me de besi e wa ye mfa ofrefo bia da afrefo no nyina ase ni obi adwenkyere a ode eba ene anapai nyame enhira mo nyina Bugatti ya krado wa prof nso ya krado wa Mr. Ka yes sorry kakrabe na odi janse dia gude mu simaba
kwasi me sorry so ma mechia azaya wọ́n sẹ́ di ẹ̀ náà wọ́n ní ọkùnrin àti abẹ́kan yẹtù ọmọ ẹ̀mú ha NDC free sùn mìíràn bi nọ hùndà ayé tẹ̀ ẹ̀ dẹ́yìn mi kọ̀ọ̀kan wà sí mi yẹ equalization àmì yẹ ẹ̀yẹ tí ọmọ yẹ àti both NPP ní NDC ọmọ di Ghana fún ẹ̀ náà mẹ́tìrẹ́ sẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ nánú diẹ náà èsì yẹn nyẹ ntì ẹ̀ náà sọ diẹ náà sọ nyẹ dẹ́yìn ẹ̀yẹ ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ tó ntwa sára mẹ́ka Land Cruiser yà ntọ́ ọ̀nà 3,000 Ghana ọmọ ẹ̀mú ha ẹ̀ náà ọmọ kà sẹ́ sẹ́bi yẹ ní mi nyansa náà Koti sebi yetu ma we nim nyansa na yenso adwen da yitrimu adwen da yitrimu na de yakoso bia de yeni na ehwe je se mo na mo de amayi mo se mo ya mo politics me so me yensem training en kwasi ye beka no kre me ka no kra opa timing opa pemasem ye wo asema and no kra no so de kwasi ye beka na okoton bus na obi kwala bi frɛ wo se bus na say yeso say ankasa bus ne say ye kan ankasa bus ne say report wa deputy MD ne dia man say unserviceable che say wo service a enye etiade ya unserviceable mo twa na mo kotu mu ba bia yeton
unserviceable
yeton ade ya unserviceable yeton
nti omoton ye ebi mu en repair omo de
na kwasi me say ade ya ban
de bia ye beka say unserviceable bia ade serviceable
we ye no mo boapa e de sa word na be che unserviceable no mo twan wo sa ba se tra na chachi no enti enya adwuma o mamu ha nipa ne de betimi ato na wono akwakoye ba se ne yi na enam kwan so no ode gine sika but aban de unserviceable ye sa de gwe tietie ho a enti ye na no hunda ha tene no ye de acheche ye ka Land Cruiser ye to ne 3,000 ene so bus bus mu a ye say unserviceable 2,500 nyame hwe
amen mama fast da pemfa ma Smart Effort College I was so my crew was who so here yes ya bofo do control so ye wantwa fa no bra ye de ne be fa ntitiem ya kire na de amana tumi akọ control so he ne watwa ye kire general arts, general science, agric, business, home economics, visual arts and afi technical subjects ni nyina ye wo edan wo honma ye de ma school for mo madam Wobano wanya 4 years. Don't worry. Abofano also go school from 1 year go see class 4. Crèche at the echo in a womo. In Fabofano bra. Smart Effort College, I was on my room. Young fan and fancy team no in my opening. But for school in penny for 0541 639371 and 0243 112806. Smart Effort College, or say just be smart and we will put in our efforts. Bogati.
Bosses of the bosses.
Good morning.
Morning, boss.
Apple.
Boss, I'm wondering what's so vim here.
Yeah. Hey, Pabla Magana of Renana. So was Mura.
Mura.
Say Mura.
On one of
okay.
Mura was right.
Professor, Doctor Dawood every year. Good morning.
Boss player the scientific mentality. Another memati. Boss, that is mental.
Maybe you're not fire. No.
how can I correct this word? No, boss. How can I try this word?
What is your problem? And I was okay, bro. Boss, no, problem.
Boss, no, it's too much. No, more.
It is too much to say.
No, the love is too much.
Boss is saying, many Bugatti, and the idea and Kobo. Yet to miss it. You can't bear. No, boss. You greeted a Bugatti. Yes.
Then you came to me. Then I'm praising you. Praising you. So why is she laughing? It's not that.
Many Bugatti. And I didn't come.
No.
I finish out all what to say. And now come what's up.
Boss. No, it's ongoing.
How?
No. How? It's not time.
That is no.
No.
So what to say?
No. You say, how is me?
How are you?
Yes, how are me? You say how are me?
And then you go.
No.
And then the time why do you?
You say how are me?
And then you not for you.
No, you say how are me? What we are?
Yes.
You say how are me, right?
I said how are you?
Yes. So if I'm referring to myself,
how are you?
Yes. It's how are me?
Yes. Okay. How are you?
Yes. How do you respond? I'm now putting you into somewhere. Before I respond, I'm good.
Okay.
So that's why I want to that mentality in so many ways. Bugatti is laughing. Why is he laughing?
The laughing there.
No. This morning I don't hear tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Today is Wednesday.
Yes, Wednesday, but very soon I will come to tree, boss.
Okay.
I'm doing awesome. I'm doing gorgeous, boss. You are doing. Let me see you. I've not seen you well.
Can't you see me?
Yeah, I've not seen you.
Okay.
Boss, how are you?
I'm fine.
Nice one.
By His grace.
Nice one. But can I speak to you?
I didn't want any. What's the time of the day?
What say? Yet your man, I'm new. A catcher, a boss say, Ghana, any and the boss, oh, there's more room for improvement. It may be a Ghana baby. Meboa. One idea to
sat down that room now.
Yes, the one idea to say, yes, a bus, me free, me free, crammy, and the bus, the boy, I am 200, say 2,525 million bus, boss, and your bus,
Metro Mass.
Now, so call I say, was a boat ni omutu me boy. I boss o man enye boss Adeakyea Abia na betra duma no aye odi na uko be Ghana enye never boss Ghana
because boss say Senegal for the AFCON or president no or 45 years and it's Monday no o the holiday ma o man ni na o ka kire o man for no say obetu obi aka to am for ni na parce que to ko ni pa but the says kana o man no no betu o man ka and the boss sika de Africans you will be the Bonias ma the Bonias
no madewe
me say Gabon mine no me say dey tuati man fo nya na ka later o man pani ba ko fi afoforo ba no o say skara na eba no say skara ma biem nem say wow e wa bra project bia dia re wo dada no nsatre bia ma ye tie kro man no boss ye ka se ba me adidi a Ghana fo nya ho beto yen
Bugatti we
me atete se bit matete kra man abro
we are Omokano and the communicator ba betra bia oti
be defend
e ba be defend on koya research e ko say asemna Omokan and class and crew most of them be
boss na dey obebo be defend
na we no anya ne ka o ma ho e deputy MD of the Metro Mass Transit
obeka say e political limited ni ba meka say political
ono na e ka sa asem no
me see over better
deputy and defend the same
now who defend the
real
over 2,500 any sitam omuyebi enti MVP for time so my be enti yes we are Ghana na enyi
sanko phone me no
Adeakyea yenwale met na
ya no so we ba mo ye tumpon we di pon Ghana we ba no we see we na 4 years adunia sa to foforo no masaba we next year oba ko anka foforo no be sa ba biem nti omu ni tinu mo ye sa no boss me see sanko phone me no we die omu na ekuen
man ya jeri no
omu David
we yenjeri obia ye de kokoto a no ma be no omu di sika bia to
no boss o say why me the man
why me why me
boss is
woyo me
ye kroma
why me
for the day me da that's Ghana and so because we are body be yi bo abetem hankof buniza ye kroma the boss
o mare nye boss emfa
sa asema wo kan na no na Zito ka asem bi about NPP as a party o se wo mo wo enkrofo ni bi party faithfuls ni bi ewo ye haya yesi okutwa wo makeke wo mo hwe emasa ni pa na ye jeli no woma a ode be wo
Africa no twa akotai
ya jeli no ho
ye jeli no
enye
woma
on senia timamufo no
dua
isi bre
dua nipa na boy enya nyame ya jeli nipa wo ho ya jeli nipa wo na obi timi
look at the kind of sika amonfo bi
yes obi timi no kisika o man sika taxpayers money
fakoye we o se menye no wafa
and me at times judges and magistrates no monso ya di obi nkrofo gina wo mani monso na ade na nipa no aye no se wu jeli no wo ho at times ya me hwe bi modie nso ma bi okay say am ranti yemfa na sa
me ba empelinfo no mu disika kese le mra bia cover mo ana
yanchu we ya ne Johnny too ya John de bia be Johnny sa 2-3-4 years na asem am say Ghana de asem ba fofra eni anamanfo ani bi akire o be 2-3-4 months na adwuma na si
we papa ya de be o shata na white
oforiata
yes frata omuye de se me wo fa be du krom ha enko ba bia
na se they asem be a week last week na me kan ya na last week
o ka so ba obi anya no
obi anya to bi nya na
enko ba bia
oforiata ono ankasa ene wa ma na asem no ayasem
yes
time asem no sorry last year na ba bia obi ano nya se obeka se o kwa akosa ne ho yare no na oba Ghana ene ye bisa so yes say na etesen ya so say and 7 year person bisa no de ono ni problem obetumi ayi ano na mom the way ya Ghana for si aya asem na NBC aban aya asem na masisi asem na no efro no ankasa ono anaye
Isenko abakwa ba answer kwasa kwa.
Wase ko be baby.
Oh, me say bibi en.
Se sia wate na ho ama isa wo ye refugee. Wo ye refugee se de US.
Se de ha adwen.
Obana so be yi ano kran say US obe kasa obe sa tima ko bi.
Se say ya side na tum.
Oh.
Ya side na tum. To bedam akosi April.
Wow.
Yes.
Oba yan kasa bi eni ho.
US wo mo fanya de
odama to April 27
no was
ansana ya san na ko akoko dinasem no are bone ben ko na waye
fa wasun Ghana
wa yama na nima guas na nimo
Ghana
ani monyama kanifurata epema no ho nyina wa sai nyina
finance minister de nye de bieke
o na finance minister kwa pese ono ankasa ne bra wa bo
yeah
na na wujeja ho sei
na ne wose wo ba sat last year wose wo ba no ankasa ba maba
Ghana ni
asembe na mpese bisa wabisa okay yes body we de koto ha we de koto ha finance minister or ne pen yiska
dabi
I know man na de share nsa so ye we oye boy what another dan kwakufu adrase nti na nado be kan eno de adwuma
nya ne pe
nti na nado ka se yisika we for kwasha ha se ya you have no authority
brabe chechiri ma se say busumi 9 easy
no
adai
olu mi say
wa ma ye yawo life basa wa po bra ni monyam wa ma ye say ni nyina say adai
olu mi say omo tufu so ma amwa no on say
Frank Davis mo no
yes o ma nya de o ma
lawyer for na wo mo didi na chi
so omo ye enko ba bia e na omo ntim ya ne hwes on say dey
baby wono so na ne ze ko wo gana ka nye husa
manamra
oh magu mo for
what na ho ya ma papa ya ni magu asesa Frank Davis ne hwan na me bullshit
because that time me say me kind na do pen so mo na me respect mo pa na me feel on power that administration no
na kind of reta ka ho but see na sa respect ateko
oh ateko
yes
I have you
and me ya no
because I'm respecting the papa baby onunti so obekan budget bia babia me wo bia wase me kotwe TV
and na ya me ya no sa ni monya papa na prema na ho enyaye this wa hwema ni na pepa
oh too much too much
and then bonne ben na wa ma wo America kan ofureta wo America ye kuro ben e ma America ye kuro ben e ma kwa America ye bontin babia wo ti kura ye ba beche wo no na babia America vice president last Venice saying Biden
okay.
Biden vice president baby not e ho na wo sisi wo ko America wo ko rent ya na wuti
wow
man
yeah
oyin back to
enti wo America then America be kire
oh
onina
baby na vice president etie eno na wo ko ye wo ko rent ya wuti
boss on na no afcon na ye be no on se na Senegal for be so mbekọ akọ coach so munya abo no enti coach ba ko frɛ Sadio Mane se ball no omuka so mu jai bo a edian waje wo wiase nyina apepa enti won sign kobo enti se wo bo na lusumpo a odin no aka asemi ne for na ise euro enti bi ni se yekan
enti bi de hu ya
kasemi no isin kan se ebusumi nine
oh
me ya de wakwa kotum wo America wo detention
ha me ofa
na wa ye ne wa ya chill ne de wakwa court na court si ensan fa nkonkotum eye den a wunni visa na ya chiwa amanone a e deporto eye den e be deporto
deportation ne wunni bi e show
oforiata oka onkonko kanyame ye be deporto no
na se we kura so wa ma kura we kakra ko em guase o
because corona wutim wunni visa
oni visa
yes
se na o si do ko ya na
so o kono visa ana ko era na visa na kokowu and ya chose masa o man na wutim no wunni visa o visa na wu enti san ko ba bia free and o ma o date up to November 29 so free America mining one free and ya ba bechew
the cost
ya chi o visa way wunni visa enti wo ko fa lawyers hwan no wo mo prema wo kura
wunni visa
wunni bi enti yenya UP a o se do best street
enti be deporto wo ya den ye be deporto opa wo de fa lawyers ne defendo wo mo defendi ni nyina wia okay o man no visa wo de betin ewe woni bi
just go back to
it is a cover yes
back to sender
o ya den ye be deporto no
ashime
lawyer for no ni sika na wo mo edi
no mo convince na so no onye lawyer
dabi
on ka lawyer no se mi bi de we a lawyer na
ono e finance person o ya den ye be deporto nje mane nye ye no ayi bi on forgetting ya aban no ne nkrofo eka ken oforiata be duru Ghana hase ya eno ane so omde ne be ko OSP omde ne ko OSP okay say okay
questions and answers
yes question and answer ye bisa we are you okay ene ye be ma bail ana ya chew ye be ma bail pe obi manim bail ene na sabe aban we zuba ye sabe niema hunu a wo mo eye no ebi no
base akese no
yes
bam now omuchi ebonu wa
wo Raymond Acha nyame ye wadom se na yense 20 say ya
osa
yes
wow
nyame ye wadom a wo ko didi aban ya chi a kokoye ayi iyoko boss ene wo chi nkrofo a na wo di build ayi kakaka atom so
It is 1.5 150 billion.
Raymond Nacha time na escalate Emma Ghana na Raymond Nacha you see escalate sa time no escalate when okoto escalate minimum no only minimum ohun yo ebo mu din kwesi yes senior no you should escalate sa time
Tibena ska ofira da
ska ofira da someone dey obi ye kakra bi ska ofira
na so wona wa sheda won ka yusu bi
mpacho minibi
no say na
wona wa sheda o boss wona wa sheda
na o say dey kra o say parfenda na say dey na o say dey kra
wow
minibi na cruiser
enye bibi wagon
minibi
G wagon
wono na sheda o boss we dey wona wa sheda na wo wa say obese manfo hu se wono
G wagon
emesalemi o
da bi nesa no dey
bia ya we
na so the chow start there o ye market
enye start bobuga omo ni mi di
one minute ni bi no nkomo o dey moya mo sports na mo sorry
omo say yeah massa Kayaso nyin packet wa
Bogati
boss
time for sports
it's boss Ghana enye yie Bura
come on
sabo akode
yes
na nyame ase ene Wednesday
yeah
na mayenchi azaya yes azaya kwati adopai
adwo for man
yes adwo for man FC adwo man FCCU ene ayin na kopa mystica so was send mystica messages
ono ani die evianchian
yeah me evianchian kan sempo regional minister yes regional minister yeah akese for the church
yeah and Joseph Texan
okay
assistant
wow nice one buga na menche
kakra bi menche
now what is helpful by him come on
so that cause me chrome nia
yeah chrome na about 4
ti ma hu de
he say was so free Ghana be mo so free Benin
oh they say the Benin they how be say dwane free because o man free no Benin kra nipa be 26 am free no how be say customer sa me tremble
na bibia ye okay there
one dey say one natural za ma Benin but o man free dey say dia star
so be ne o saba
o black stars
eri va so na yakwa ni me na yanhwe no game say timi to dwara ene so be timi to dwa na yanhwe ise Arsenal from ebuga
yes sir
7 out of 7
yes
7 games say Arsenal bo UEFA Champions League no Oma win nyina mo 21 points Arsenal form papa nya sanke to kra yes na eno ade Man City egu nipa nu ase ade Man City for no ha dwen City team de enema nkoye kwa na PSG suru game against Sporting CP na eno imagine omo ka
omo no betima di bet nra
yes eno ade bet di bet dem papa na
3-1
yes ayas omo surprise wana
say bi no
eno ayas
I am Sakosha Villa with 2-1
yes 2-1 enya Saketon eno as ba kusasi Dortmund
yes
against Tottenham
yes
Tottenham should 2 goals to
2-0
wow
and then
Olympiacos 2-0 yes obi one we be bet
Napoli Copenhagen
yes
1-1
masa then nya Saketon krabusa mom yentie resource eno asene ma se koye na ti e da Facebook ro so na yentie eno akere tamati etrafi omo ehye kaba kwa tima ye fan club enso bom ye kanan eno bote krem ehye ka polo miensa amo time Man City enso temu pa kontwedien eye surprise ye pa eno Man City team no o team se de man so temi ankoyi amfo mom ewo gema eno e temi totwa Real Madrid ehye ka polo nsia amo AS Monaco enso temu bako enro Sporting CP omo hye ekamenu a eye PSG team no etumi temu bako defending champions enro ne man koyam fobomo FC Copenhagen omo hye kabako Napoli enso temi hye kabako enro Villarreal omo trafi hye kabako Ayas akompom ye kameno enro Olympiacos hye kamenu a aye Bayern Leverkusen omo so boy temi ate enro Tottenham hye no ama Dortmund enso temiante Inter Milan etra San Siro eye Giuseppe Meazza ama tiba fe Arsenal akobom ye kamiasa ama Inter amunso temitemo pako wei eye kema anu etimi totwa ana metewansam enso temao ewa tumades deep next way me part of 40 way na yenhwe fans temno na ense na seten teams no na social aye first 8 team no and the only teams here omunsia kan aye Bayern Munich and also na team of Atlanta and so omoba kaina apo 7 games here na Arsenal na 7 out of 7 almost 7 games omopo UEFA Champions League no omo wiri nyina omo anya 21 points. Real Madrid only 7 games omopo omo win 5 matches omo ntobi and omo lusu 2 omo 15 points. Bayern Munich etosumi no and our game opo Bayern and so we near not just on Santima ye Real Madrid na so ko 18 points na Bayern Munich etosumi sa also 15 points. Tottenham na Tottenham sanya badi buga Tottenham bad sanya bad omo just say enemo koyi and also Premier League den koyi crowd yeah wow eti omo to fourth ya omo 14 points. Paris Saint-Germain etos HS numa almost 13 points and so Sporting CP almost etos nsia almost 13 points. Ya penya Man City eno aposo mulusu nyina almost sobonia be pamotos enso almost 13 points. Atalanta enso etos enwatria almost 13 points. Inter Milan etos enkron almost 12 points enso Atletico Madrid etos 2 almost what saying I 12 point Chelsea and as a team ya felt Dortmund wamotoso etumieno wamso 11 points or Newcastle United Sanso Chelsea FC Barca womina and so 10 points and the games no and so pay temia toso na anyone so temia koye na amua wamutatwo na pobokua masa on team Samuel Day Tima ye Villarreal na Villarreal omo games omo 7 games omo just a point. Wow, otim senema nkoye kra and forward tima ye Villarreal 8-way and so say and ma so kofane games ya e be to me pacho photo Facebook oswami na ye interest tenema and so betima kone games ya e be timi ya to jaro ma menhwe na ye interest tenema and so betimi ya to jaro and ye penya tima ye Galatasaray omni Atletico Madrid and so te pepani na ye interest tenema sai game and so betimi ko ye penya Karabakh FK omni enter Frankfurt and so te pepani Atlanta team no ebe shetima ye Atletico Bilbao ye penya Bayern Munich team no we a mismatch against tima ye Union St. Gilles Mossad and our Alliance Arena and confirm Petro Yepa and the Chelsea our CS to require him and the Chelsea and Shatima ye Perforce FC etuwero I am mismatch se Chelsea buga
yes sir
se Chelsea phone pa na kenwe won ko bodwa
ide ga sembesi
omaso bayesi because baby danye enti yenya points we pa na yetiba ko enimu again Perforce tie na and David Luiz but for David Luiz Academy Perforce FC yes enti ne betwe senama sako na and the trophy ebe sha Benfica Olympic team say ebe sha team ye Liverpool team no na Newcastle United and the PSV Hoffenheim ye Benya Slavia Praha omni FC Barca na omso ta point na we aye games here and the team ya to twa and am tewa some enso temao e tumadius and no pain ye enya seketokate no enso ka e from pa metewa some enso temao e charon enso je enso no etisana titi mami fose nimam no mami nkwa enti enemy yes yana quick na yes order send me also what them all hey according to protocol
producer okay
yes what ten as pa oya so dia gwa yenye
yes dia gwa yenye kasi nkofie ko order yard
yes order yard pa na ene eye madwa ene ne birthday abodiam ena ese madwa ne ho fe pa na incoming assembly man e wa saman na say ya wajei na say boga One and I see young Kosa Bobiome. Now, Yemfa birthday wish and for Madwa. Yes, Madwa that Facebook or so. It's Madwa, Yama Wodapa, happy birthday. And Confonsa who say phrase. Mo say yes, you man so be fepa. It's happy birthday. And call and for him Madwa papa bia ho fe. Yes, the skin skin come up out him say yes. O say ye o da ye come up the Madwa happy birthday. And for Bobiom and what him say yes and once watching summer. And ya say ketwa kranti ya wachi. And was yam fan cry in Kratui. Yes, Ankrata. Yam fan Kratui ma Esa Madwa and Timadwa. Detiano. Buga! Yes, sir. Yen Chefisem. Well, make ourselves a proper yen to Mr. Crabia, Mr. Sakana, Pamabe, and what money you are now for. Ditch every morning show and so whatsoever we saw would hear best sport station Liberty 92.7. Mammy Coleman Cram got so upon an pay, opening Mammy channel for Japon, and so a war my news and a property. Special good morning and confirmations here. Near Ninko, we can see and a Kumasa Sanako, Sabian Ghost game no. A course so dance park now. Wouldn't say it was a controversial go between Koso, Abra Sambo, Lenny Dongani, a Pimbona Tratemco, Refinity Dabi, Adeakyea Abia, and no Anna, open here said Thomas Nuno, or no Anna, you were free of D game no, and Mark once and I got a Conibian ghost as and Papa no, or Chem so I don't know a question, and Grenadier, only Sanebana and ye born a year. Now a clean go, ye did Thomas Nuno, no, and an eba, and Julia Nuno no.
Human being with Junior Matum and I catch also said, now look here. Now look at the situation, look at the way. When he was standing there, I found out of him. Me a man to form no man. But as sense this player has been doing it persistently within the game, no, then the assumption was that Wakoyi did the one. But at that circumstance, he was on.
Well, what is so for just Thomas Nuno Chemu say I don't know cross the men we create in the banner who is so one year corner or your FIFA so cup technical instructor wa being brutality rafini di otia say ye pa and then chin substance of penny say obey sabre or dawo among for testing message say among for dinner tell maybe more domino na dey ba some na wo ka kire obe wo say dey bia no ono ne ba ne cassette no for penny baby o jina ne dey when you say more the bet upon shading I don't dey sad at here you dey upon ni biem
many na kasa say na eba me say every referee who goes into a game I don't want to mention names but some of them eba sana now you're meeting older. Then they are worried, and sometimes you get out of them, and that you have to call them and then speak to them, tell them that this is where you went, and that.
Yes, I was good so on the banner bomb. Come on, be a situation where me and all the men are doing 5 good man at the partnership, and the circles with out of Penny, the old Kenneth Zabano, Sabi Wire, and Noma and Yamon Samotti Argentino. You put the FNO Acase, or more punish obey ya, or obey ya to Misa, Yentino.
The system is there. There's a team in place, or more yet, Sanyo man. Maybe a senior maybe in church. Maybe they might ask for my opinion on this particular decision. Oh. What is your opinion on this? Send a Mr. T here, there's a clear error, case of an error, a good has been disallowed. So I'm going to say the same thing to them. It will be up to them to look at the circumstances that I'm going to describe and explain. No, also, Omodi Akeki, Omodi decision. And if you want to chance some opinion, Thomas, do not can answer one big in some case, no more, dear Buddha Banner, and on the Onion Sambiakan. And this is for free Thomas, no, and a feel first to carve technical instructor with a 4. And some of the 2 that found the buyer phone is Julian no one some with a 1 pay. You don't say in the Diaba, young cock cap, or sitting in Comaka calling himself cap, Presido, your penny phone is Practice Musepe. Now, you need to go on common out. So, say no be a can. As after your course, you be saying, Rafi for the money one who form brute. Say, you did call on percentage wise, met Macobe 30 out of 70. Now, tell me so. Baby, because I said, they won't favor Morocco for senior no credit. Now, oh, you were free as a dear gamer, and you no credit. So, but to me, at the Yama host nation. Yenti Practice Musepe.
I said yesterday to all the 54 presidents of the 54 African countries, under no circumstances will any single country in Africa be treated better, more preferential than any other country. It's never going to happen, not whilst I'm president. Every single one of the 54 countries in Africa are going to be treated with all the respect, all the dignity and all the recognition they deserve. And
well, and witness favoritism behind him to say we host next man you doing so host so about we not say so one born in Saudi Arabia Jeffrey with some and then next year something to penny say na me man next year which is 2027 only say my me and son e come home na host the Africa which is Tanzania, Kenya and after Uganda you must say sign any so ben and amudi go come next year after betima cross way with the 3 countries no you practice must say pebiem.
Part of being a leader is to deal with difficult, unpleasant decisions which we have to take, which are right and which are good for football. But it's more important that we've got to explain them. We've got to take people to come with us, and we are convinced over time they will indeed see that the decisions we are taking. Now, I have a duty to develop football all over Africa. I can't have competitions only in those 4 countries where you've got the infrastructure. You've got to have, you've got to create opportunities for the other countries to build infrastructure at the level, World Cup level that we want them, and develop football in those countries as well. I'm confident that the AFCON in Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda will be enormously successful. Will there be challenges? It's like the World Cup Qatar. We are going now to Canada, America, and Mexico. There are going to be challenges, but and that's why I was insisting that the CHAN takes place in those countries, even though they were not ready in February, because I was convinced that it would help us enormously to make sure that we've got a successful AFCON next year in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. But we are not going to take that competition away from those countries because I'm confident.
Well, when he says for just a CAF president, for instance, practice BECHEM, next year, which is 2027 year, Tanzania, Kenya, after Uganda, and my in some way, a come over GDC Kwambiaso, AFCON, so better for some of those. Yet the best scenario, a bought no me no pound media, some better stuff with a good demo in Samum, and you are no many idea Bremum. What if I'm kind of person that one in some nanum at the about Maybe at the water Frederick with my friend said Bugatti.
Abusiafo ya mu bia kwaba e de BECHEM Company Limited so edmaku a wo Ghana ha wakofa eduro nwanwaso e de abadwa so a eduro no eya nwanwade akese eduro ni din ne Cement Vital Herbal Mixture and Capsule eduro na ne mra na de agan no udnam na oti agan a eduro yi e na mebe kanfo de amagana ni bia na se bibi ni bia se obenya bie na won so anonom na etimi aboa no sa ebro waso aye ka ho asemi Cement Vital Herbal Mixture ene ne capsules no eye adura ye aduma wontini mu edura yi uyo obi a sabi o mema sem eda fom tinkeja be ma ne ntimi man mu so kra be ma ne ntimi peja no ho uye be ma sabi woni oba hiem na sisia no waje mu a won edura yi ye kanfo de amawo edura yi edura ebe boa ma wontini na timi asore gina so ebe mamoja bia pusane wo bema no mama bema na tinya sore gina so ye na watimi abo adwuma na ama opiafo obi bia sabi oni atenka so yo ba so ye bema nhia edro Cement Vital Herbal Mixture and Capsules anemna ne de agan ne bi kona koto binom watenka ayira na tekopra kona koto edro ne bi nanom na bohu sabi edro no esi ye adwuma sifa afei wuye ne to nchen sabi obi wo hono ma pichikom o how pa kese pa so yo ba na wo kom fitire na se wo menses na ma bayi a edu ebeboa eye Cement Vital Herbal Mixture kona koto edu no binom be ma fitiko no bibia ye kama de amawo afa so wote yawo o fitiko mu a edu ebeboa eye Cement Vital Herbal Mixture and Capsule afa so obi wo ma sabi wo akoja ne nan no na moja di etire we oba na tisa de bia hu moja no tieniye pa se moja no ye gon bright red we no ka se bright red a en na se do betimi abo ma moja ni nyina to atwa e de ama okra afa so obi so a sabi ne to ase twetwe no when it comes to sciatica who sciatica edure betimi aboa ama yawo ne twetwe na ewo ni nyina etimi ati akokra no eye agan cement vital herbal mixture and capsules edure no eye adwuma wontini mu na enuane no bi wo edure we mu a eboa pa ye fen nitric oxide say nitric oxide no unya eba oni padua ma enti bi emu asi enti aka atare ba bebiem ba be hu ntini amantini metuna da wo model etime de apusane usisi ena ya ye neurotransmitters a sonifree adwen no ho ena eba eno na se obi tijawa na se okọ pains bi mu a na sa neurotransmitter no etime aba beboa ama pain na se yaw no etime akofom edwe ewo nyane bi wo mu a etime release neurotransmitter ye fe no endorphin na sa endorphin ne ba se usisi ena ya oja jawo na wote no ewo osisi mu no edwe eba be stop ni nyina yisu dopamine na be yi jawo ni nyina firi wo ko e de amount enti so osisi ya edwe wo so no e ya agan cement vital herbal mixture and capsules edwe Adeakyea award yenim de ye ka ho asem no 2022 best waist pain product of the year 2023 edwe Adeakyea award e fasisi ya de ho 2024 yes I ni musa fie di anyum nyina so ye be Adeakyea award no wo ye bema na wo pese nyina so no gina so keme wa bla wo be no madu no sima kakra bi achi a fe number no a egu screen ase no wo fe number na ye be no be kasa kama ni acho se do be sia no madu no na emi metumi aboa ama bibia ye kama ma afa so ba bia be nya bia to no ye di egu screen so memem tie ni ye pa se wo kuma se ene ni patem wo store who person to be town baby I be kind PFA pharmacy New Road Junction wana PFA pharmacy or store kese a obenya baby e tu honum akwakoton afi Colinac ewo Ashtown oni Dani Herba obi nyina wa Ashtown ko ho Fredimens eso okay ono so be na obi ato afi so Sambora ewo Kabetia Gate 3 no opposite pe edron edra e ba beboa eyi sa o hawo nyina fi wa kwa ma enti pebi achi kwanto agan a etrese ejan no pedito na enkotote e ma na so nya wa ho odin pepepe edama
Kojona seahorse product no utogu kamu wi a fagalance le chame
ene say wonya tesa me de seahorse ma hiti promo no aba no me hiti bi amomo sandi me mombo free a enye wo ho
hey so what enka me kwahwehwe sticker se woni tinum say seahorse engine oil anasa ne coolant apa bia hiti aka me de no
me ma obia woto seahorse products egu na fidie mu atiase se fina de kro seahorse ma hiti promo aba eti obia to seahorse products wa enfa woni size ya to ye secretary small whatever on one sticker na pharmacy no ya tire number code and amount of money ewo ho fra number no kasika ya tire no bo code no seahorse fo e check from office na ye no ano no a breaking crime wo sandu mobile money amuru ho akoyikodi
seahorse ma hiti promo wo twa de fa enya fa so free
sikane free 50 Ghana ekosi 5000 Ghana cedis na achadie no mu kese pa eya bobo ya achadie ni bi nso ye mobile phone iron fan fridges and TV
na we so de enya free na wo komwa bibi atwa de ho bia
National Lottery Authority afuaso
na so pentetre mu bia from 0540 424 386 and 0243 218 566 Seahorse Mahiti Proboy a peking crime.
Mira, wo de wa ya ho sa bibia amfa ho sisia e na wo ma me frifia ha ko na tema wa bedi me ne no ese wani se ye ka kirem enam e ya funa me nyanti na sisia de abebbo mu kra de me se meti ho a ensu fitati me gume na ke kamesa etu de mira me sida oni die mu ada me sida entena to so kra boa me wate na bai me nya bintu me na so na ya de a e ya gima boso no so yentu ase
odo papa bi enye se mayi mani o na sisia me no ka se die me ko twiko brema chichi ni nyina ene die ha no nyina atuatwa esanse madamfo bi edeme akọ clinic bi a nyame ni mini adanse kra be kwa na kofo dikwa no ebo adwene ntiase so eye Nkenya Herbal Clinic odo ja se gonorrhea chlamydia obi ya stroke ewewe obi na hisi eye ne ya obi onya prostate cancer hepatitis A B C anasa opesa ne be makra kese no ana wonya hypertension ana asichire yare no anansa wonsa bi agudi bedua no odo Nkenya Herbal Clinic esasa ya de we nyina obi o wani haw owo ntihyewa typhoid odo se yenya yefu enwube oh e Kenya Herbal Clinic die emma entafo ahena san nyina bepiem oyo ba na onsebuo no ayisisu yi a Kenya Herbal Clinic ebetimi aboa pa sanso na obi a wo kidney problem bia obetimi ade aba Kenya Herbal Clinic on be sane yade odo ye bitru honom no efidie ye de screen ahodo ye de hwe mogemu san fidie we nyina ebi ewo honom odo ye wu ye ko ye ntena ye to so ye ko sisi a
mira eni je na be fie sei we de mase badia ebeye de metimi agimase we ni je so
in Kenya Herbal Clinic oye adwuma free ejoda kopem memreda anapa no nso kopem anwumre no onum hwehye ye wo se hwibekwai atwema ye ne Assemblies of God asoro down ene de hwanim so no wasam atofo iso 0243 719385 in Kenya Herbal Clinic ye betu yare no so sa
of you.
Anapema me mfao emra na fi emetwa yankomo Jenny Mafio we Charles Kojo for Sudat Lumba na mimiza maza na azaya nsi onyo Ose Kofi Abia NPP or senior research officer Western North or for the MPP Azaya Kwatin Ewaha for the NDC. Azaya, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Let's say what's your pay day? Come 7
men come and say I chatty for I'm sad pay I think say money me ni but yes ya baba public figures there befanisa but best say oh yeah me fanisa because and upon more discussing them on the topics in the baby brave but one of which should mu fi say ye discuss and yenso so any team aya na yenko na nyem ring na number right but
seven as a topic man fam or
nyem me na de ma me de mu ka
ye ka ho asem
Mr. Kaya Adamfo am one number
ye wadamfo
mamen kamasem
Menya Adamfo
enu ntimi wo Mr. number ya yedi nkomo enti time a more reason issue be say deputy MD for Metro Mass what the allegation be and so the evidence be about bontin say Metro Mass ya ton be as low as 2005 no near there
say almost say unserviceable.
Very good enu ntino yenu Mr. enya akwanya na okasa no beka say Mahama administration so omo ye bi the moment oh yes I pay them say there be baby a dream it's not about Mahama
but not some no all and related
what be some question
maybe some question today say wo can say
and yes how the ma back can we dey na make e wa me read it
back can
we so chere wa dwe chere me wo dey be some enti e ba so dey Mahama dey ba mu no and I make chere dey say first question am be sa no I say Mystica, why are you bringing in Mahama in this conversation? Or how? Upa bit me am away here.
And now,
that be team.
They into the ma ubisa na say no bringing him.
The man me bisa no one personalize so they say. The abbey
one can say Mahama this current Mahama or see the previous Mahama.
The Americans say previous Mahama.
Good. And previous Mahama pencil.
Mahama so ye be.
Previous Mahama pencil. Ya Tonkas. Auction cars mountain to.
Now when I catch you say auction of car news. When I catch it.
Any news wrong.
When I catch you say your auction cars
any news.
There be when I catch
any news.
Or be some menka. Enti me make say mumu kan 2005 na 3000 no ne ade ade. Ah odi Mahama ba mu no. And na me be say I didn't na ade Mahama e ba sa conversation.
Mahama pencil.
Has it got Mahama pencil? Wait Mahama evidence e kire say sa amount na mo ka say ye auction because at the end of the day no auction of cars no enye bode. Wouldn't say ye be evaluate na amount for aye dey aba beton. Enye bone. But we na baba so low to the point to say about a topical issue. And I will link what my man Chema because the way I bash me to the point so can't say me a hypocrite. So I was like, me can't you a video so my sending message asking say why are you bringing in Mahama into Adeakyea
Mahama's era and Mahama's era and
Kobisa harmless question say why are you bringing in Mahama? That's what
Mahama's era
did. Me say, Samizumi Kobisa say, why are you bringing in Mahama timer? Is it a harmless question?
Did you add time?
What's it?
Did you add time?
What time about?
Did you add time in the message that you sent?
But you are even telling me say Mahama one.
Mahama's era.
Yes, very good. And maybe say this a question now. Maybe beside and the man who Kayaso to us can say maybe a hypocrite, including Isaiah. No? Is this way?
The only message that you
don't
sent.
Do that.
Why shouldn't I do that?
That's all class question when you be. Oh, say Juma Muye to the be said you will be. O kana maka. Ma test message a mo be. what the phone
and
so
the
private.
person brought it on air.
Now did you see it? Then take it and read it and tell
I am going to do that.
For we hear them say show us evidence of Mahama selling bus as low as 2005. Time I'm starting here I'm bashing me no say so o person we created there and you show us evidence say Mahama ye bia man kaso wa car but so car be 2500 then time there show us evidence there be the man no and you came in no minia you see what way who here you na me ma personal message text message so what do
I do to it?
Say I was say who reading my man for who say Isaiah the message but saying Isaiah yeah than to respond to me in a way I open now bash me. What is so hypocritical about message you have said there? What is so hypocritical?
Hold on.
So the way I must treating me this morning, me sending messenger, read it, mobi anti say this is what Isaiah say.
What say?
Mahama who message you know? I want to say me a hypocrite.
Yes.
What is the hypocrite about this?
And I'm
who message who target me?
Oh,
this is what I said.
Hold on. And now what kind of person make a
now what can I bash is and
now you have come to explain yourself and read the messages, the ones that you sent. You took a year asema oka to be Mahama asem.
I didn't take Obama.
Yes, Obama's era in fan cancer. I sat here and said those things about Nanado's era. I don't know. And
when I say Manka, yes, so what is your problem? Now, why are you bringing Mahama in? Doesn't warrant that person.
Mahama's era into a body. Mahama
see evidence in no way.
Mahama pen and fan cancer.
Man can see a fan cancer move. Because why are you trying to take these things?
You have taken it that way.
Okay, to the point I was saying a hypocrite.
That is your worry.
You have not even read the message.
You have to read somebody's message to attack somebody.
So do you have to attack somebody when you don't have evidence or whatever?
Based on
somebody saying
based on your message.
What's the season? No. Sending the message. This is the message. And you went ahead to say that I'm a hypocrite.
Isaiah Tobo.
No,
maybe what I say.
No, we are sending message. Me hypocrite for asking a harmless question. I was not happy at all.
You shouldn't be happy.
Yes,
and you aren't gonna be happy all the time.
Oh no.
Don't think say because saying 90 I'll always have to be no.
I don't have any problem. I don't choose topics for you. Your stand or whatever any issue. But for me to ask a harmless question will be phone so phone so say why are you I didn't want reading it out. Created the narration said there is a problem here.
Hold on.
I'm only asking question. Why are you bringing in Mahama?
Why shouldn't we bring in Mahama's era?
Very good. So say sample argument in Potia. Do you have to base on that? If you know, say you have to bring in Mahama, do you have to even call me by saying, say me a hypocrite, including Isaiah? Is it because of message we are sending it? Me a hypocrite.
Isaiah Tobo.
Oh no.
I hate people who doesn't want people to speak.
No,
I'm allowed you to make it.
Show no. When I was not even here, you didn't even bother to even ask Isaiah. You didn't do that. Just
say. Obaye say me enye wa me nse ka bitima ka say me no won kan wasem anako fumi bua.
No, but I was going to read this message out so that a man for being who say the message I made by
you wouldn't right to do that. Yes, I have given you that right to do what you're doing.
Oh, but I know the better
you can't.
No, and then come and you just sack me because
I ain't gonna sack you. But if you want to sack yourself, I can make you.
If you have not seen my message and you can go down, so be say,
and yes, be say.
Mr. Kase. Until all money reading message man here.
I don't think so.
Mr. Kalase
because
what if you
send the message? You don't see anything wrong.
No, the problem is that
it will come to you very soon.
Why should he bring in Mahama? Why should he bring Mahama?
And as a man can make our politicians in general and I'm the yes,
I'm not your chairman. Get a regular job. He was accused of buying a ocean car, Land Cruiser, 4,500. And now, course, you know, say a partners may say, oh, they're politicians and they know, and yet what can people, what can this Obama didn't know the banana bonaway? As I oh, media, oh, say, yes, say, ye can't find. na say anka udanya wo se akwa ne tene because obo Mahama dinti eno ne boni nana but eno ma ya mobile power
enti
who get Accra regional Canada he was accusing the regional chairman for buying Land Cruiser as low as 4,500 and 4,000 so after now what the buy mu so be ya boni so be akoto ne car 26 deal na say o mere so beto ta na at least you na Ghana for you be can was but you can't say na say the Mahama din bam and say Mahama bless you na boni am ya no
Mahama Penso, you are saying say all what you sent and the question you asked Mr. Kano say on for evidence of Mahama's error our mutonka as low as 2,500
crowd
2,500
Ghana crowd want to be 500 Ghana
what you say and I'm say Basadia you are being hypocritical.
I know your time here.
Politicians, other politicians.
I know your time here.
I didn't I say you are hypocrite, including you.
I know your time here. Who say me a hypocrite?
Asaya.
I'm a based
on your mystical
card. Mr. Or someone sending the message. Yes. And did you read the content of the message?
I shouldn't have.
Did your kind of original send me?
And I'm original, so you can't send me. I didn't single you per se. But hold on.
Including me.
Which is I said politicians, including you.
I'm on 40.
I'm not that type of person.
Oh, that's what me say. Okay. You can't run away from that. Yes. And I'm here to tell you, say, we a hypocrite for not reading the message, for not seeing it, by tagging me, for asking you a journalist a question.
Okay, so I'm a hypocrite.
We a hypocrite, Papa.
Thank you.
We a hypocrite.
Thank you.
But so asemna okaye say Mr. Kan say Mahama Penso omoye binu and no concern and no problem niana because so who justify say this come Mama asem then now we hypocrite and no dika so justify when some come Mama asem there now we hypocrite because asem na ya do oman and your party na bido ya do oman so oman asem aba na omo ka say omo ton bus tata bus never tata bus omo ton 2,500 that's enya and no it is obisu yebi inti enye on and I'm can say you kwana san kan da baka say kwana tin enye PP abenso de omonka na di de omonka so ka sa dia na de wo ya nyatumu aza nyatu na say no so ka sa pe no ya nyatu because asema enye no kre
they see
now person obeka no
they see no yem pm free how to happen to you
me I don't care.
Oh, very
me, I will never. I will not tell them to no mention.
You see,
I don't care. MVP address or ya de na enye na sense of na Ghana for kan. I don't know that me go defend. Ya de enye enu ntina correction say wo no. Ya de enye enu ntina correction so nti mo kan say ya bibi na enya. I will never defend such a thing.
Okay. Adeakyea judges no more muti no nti to the bia nobody is here to say you are right or you are wrong. The judges are there, are the listeners. So
no problem. Next time Mahama sembeto wa na ye dia to ho atwen Azaya. Ana
as any the way is answer
na say nobody is preventing you from talking about Mahama.
So what was the wrong did
exactly entity
me I don't see any wrong
still abu yusu your friend said Facebook live me ba amo lines on the Bible and antisa papa is on nkasa one personal line and antisa because antisa na otia o make a friend say ne submission on a particular topic me want a number and be the man on one personal live na me dey man say na me no
the man so here the man say man kan Mahama say
ntitie ade nti na ode Mahama ba sa asem wi mu kwasem bisa ya do
ade nti na eni so de Mahama ebam
so therefore me the Mahama abam because of ABCD but otoa so wanya kwan ntie kwan mo kan ne the way a me no yakwasi so etoa so
tabi
nti me say anka on reading message you know
dabi
also he was responding to me the mekai tanka on reading message no be who say e dey impon Isaiah aka because like obi ehun the mekai o
na wa chechim say obi say adentina ode Mahama ebam e no nso chere say adentina ni so ode Mahama ebam because adam say bi si ne na say enya eno aso de ne enye nti ono de o ka say ye body o man no the echo so na enye no ano ni say ye ni ene di bone be no aye and I want to do 4 months in meter and mu di money Mr. Gawe brother di money but be as be ko bia
me say
or the confusion ko o ba o say
me the word politicians including my own Isaiah
Manchester.
So what I say?
I'm not like that. But how you see me no?
Mahama asem. Na say yenka.
Na wonder ka say yenka Mahama.
I didn't ni say but
when there is no evidence who now was we inform educate na asem about
Isaiah. So did you listen and
I listened.
What was the base?
Mitie papa.
The base of our discussion and
me na make for na tie I don't have to go and be paraphrasing the mokai no near there. But say I asked a simple and harmless question to personal lie. You brought it without letting people know say na Isaiah count na masia be can topic no to the point say okra o ka say be a hypocrite. Why?
And I may say what's also say me a hypocrite
because if I want to contribute to say yeah probably I would have had a way of coming
and I may say what's also say me a hypocrite and I'm say thanks for the compliment that's what what's it meant to us what's it I'm also a hypocrite thanks for the compliment so let's move on why okay and I pay aha Liberty 92.7 FM Yene Azaya Kwatin ena ewaha ena Kofi Abia ewaha for the MPP Azaya ewaha for the NDC na na pay ye wonsem bibiri a ye nyina ye ba bedi mu nkomo na Azaya oba no ye na dwene se odi free efie na eba so betwem so ye na atwe awi ye de esi nchen ti ye nko ye nim na ye ntoa ye nsem no eso ewaha sei ti yentoa so na yenkodi yenkomo na ensema ende epiepie edwa so a osie nyina yetumi edimu enkomo no se ye hwa metro mass nsem de yemfantu baby but Kofi I think it's time we all have to commend the Samejam fee and the gold board because Samejam fee is saying and he has announced start February 1, 2026 Ghana will refine 1 metric ton of gold weekly, making a shift from raw exports to value added gold. Now he revealed this and Gold Coast refinery omo kokoye omo ne oso omo ye na omo include 15% state ownership I don't know ebe boost revenue na create jobs na akipi refinery no refining fees in this very country. I think our younger brother Samejam Fee has done well and needs commendation. Kofi, what do you think?
Yo me da sa no pay my yemfa enchias no kon ema watifo ni wahwefo na yewo yo so ide enchia ye polling station executive serial callers yenchia consensus officers du consensus ya na menchia menu kondes bedu na menchia menu atamafo na menchia chairman menu Stella ene Mora na menchia Dennis ene chairman Kosiapia ni other executives na menu popu so menchia ne kese pa na menchia regional executive for multi nyina menu gold nga but ye misa ye ho se dwa ye di die ne de bema oman no se ye nua no oda dwumaku a ehwe ye gold so na wo hu se ye verify no Ghana ha a oman no benya 15% na ade ndwuma ba but ye ni nyina no na emisa ehun se die benya wo mu no ene de wen em say gold board almost start here 1 year nie ye hu mfaso botinu bi a won de ama oman no yes ye hu mfaso so mo aboka but as I can say mo moka almost say a transactional loss
nti dwade no ka no mo abo nti mo aboka na saka na mo boye no eno no akebetumi afa nurse fo bebre ebetumi afa teacher fo bebre betumi afa yenuanom a omunya adwuma bebre nti enye se ye be refine no kekew but infaso a ede oman no ebe mo man no ne hia be ka se gold mu dwade de MPP aban ede si fapem because MPP aban bae na Ghana ye gold a reserve a ye wo 8 tons ye ko do 31 tons inti ye ade papa because no kire say da chibi na say ye ho kire ya ya kohwe ye say ye pe be hunti na kire bo ni akohwe ba bia ye no na ye de si na ye yibi nti MPP aban bomode na ndisi aban so mat beto aso nti say refund wo Ghana na de nyuma beba na ye benya bia boman no bra why not ye party mi say on say eno ne ba bia ye hwe nko ana ye on say omampani mahama ni NDC ba ye gold no omoni wo ho papa nti ya sase a ya di dia koko ene galamsey for take over eno na omoni wo ho nti gold na ye no omo kan sem bebru say gold board be man ko for license na ho dia operate se ne be ya awia be bodwumadi omudinim ne kwamo da but as we speak oba ya regime mu a ye hu ba bi a omo to gold no nanso gold dwadi ekoso no bi sa won say gold na amo ka say omo meto galamsey for gold no hifa no munya gold no fi because minim say mensin gold omo fo mu gold mo omo kira no omo fo gold mo omo no bi sa won say hifa no munya gold no fi nti aban we ya na adwen say gold ne de ho no munya ka akini nti ho no mo ni besi wajai koko enne International Finance Corporation enne kopesika say Ghana o hwa ye ho omobo nti enne kopesika say o de bebo an yade ato koko enne koko adwuma ye nananom de hwe yen koko adwuma ye papa mo de hwe yen enne koko adwuma ne agu no bisa aban ne say enne koko board na ye de pride ye ho ye koko road ye kosi koko clinic ye si koko hotel enne bole bambo e koko hotel koko guest ye jai koko no enna sisi ye ni bring na e wo gold be 3 months ni akuafo esu etete hai say ye koko ayate abanya to ye nya sika abanu afi nani KOTOKO ye di sika koko no gum kran ye nya bi companies say companies nan kasa kopi o musika ena mo di koto koko kakra omo ko ye no franchise companies a omo koto koko ko ye aban tumi nya sika emomo aban kro so won ni companies say wa wunim out of ba abontin say ena koso koko sector no be revoke na licenses enne omo mu dua no say this year o san komokra nru eba procurement encourse no visa say time ben ena nru beba ye di bigu ya afuso omo ye man spraying as we speak bebe na ye nti omoka afu ani egusu ni ebu ni tot ne bu ni tot some district kra no omo ngu no kra enne ubisa won say police say be bandada ne de ba ya na koko ema yenya koko no enne wan enne modo a aban ne de ba ya yedua ni nyina kohwe udu akontomra bi yanyini hane ukọ dade so same first na ukọ dade so utwa mo bonzam rantani nketesia egu a eye adwuma enne aban ne ba ya no modo adwuma na gu omo no mkodua modo no so agu omo no ye wudinga ngo musika kra akam yentu ai so aban no koko na yen na kra yedimu no aban ni fi say enne gold aba nje ho na niwo na obisa ho say adwuma form wo koko board e de adwuma no mo ye but ye tuo mo ka e de adwuma aban we buy o say oh koko board adwuma form pan for mo nkotra fie o mo ti fie na etuo mo ka o na mo wa fa ne krofo so aban papa aban mo krofo mo so medidi enne koko sector na yen western north for yetu be de boy ho safo hene ahwe first na ebie koko say ya ebie edibonya yate koko na wi na obehu say amanfo atoka online car ye wi ya no mako license enne uhu online car kra but mo kan say aban papa ba ne ma ba form first one baza koko anka first no say ye kuafo omba kroma so tumi ji omoni me kan say me old man na ye ko kali koko o say oh jiskam ko ma me na me ko aba that's an unquire different and the cocoa for to me to nam because of music akam cocoa kuyafo and my man be an amene kasa man say wa carry cocoa since November unyes country and makoko ni ma school fees ni ma bie school e kwa ene university hostels ya tutum ahochiraba unyesika enkoto and ma school fees inti boni a waye no nti abani e besre no on twa nani so enhwe cocoa no because gold aba there gold aba mudi gold aba amagalam say apaja ni hom ne so enno achi ya say 9 months ahafo ya to ba kuntu oko combat ai galam say ya to ba kuntu but won ya to ne sirim bo muso bo modern ekun ba ko inti ye protect enkofo no na ye protect ye japade ewo inti gold ne de alizanka omo sha say 1 year nie ya mfa so botene bi ewo mu a na kan da so but o create say ye me refine gold wo ha no waka say o mine no benya 15% but yes say mo money nhwe gold ne nko a omo to omo ni so nhwe kokoo na ekura ye ni mu omo to omo ni nhwe kokoo na bole bamboy yesi hotel ho no omo to omo ni nhwe kokoo na kokoo clinic tesi bebre ewo krom no enye say western of one produce kokoo nti osanka besi bibia national issue but kokoo na adwuma no agu ndi ebesra mo ampani say gold ni de na say benyam moa bebre but on to nani so ehwe kokoo na kura for ebre as we speak kura for kwa nya do va ngum afoso and hwe sa nanten ketesi ana no mudu abroad one na source of employment but today omo tifi nti omo to abama ajo ma ne ndisi na ya na seden omo to abama azaya mo na ya na seden
okay
omo to aba anko omo expect say yenya bibi enfrim anya hwekwa no anka ye kura for edie anka barista ya hunya mobo what your mind bia onu kana say wako free cement ni iron rods say o si dan ndi enya ne krakia o man ko di na jamu anka ni ban be usa sebe o esansani enye onu wo kali ni koko enne koko ko hwe last week ya ko yellow camp egu ayimu abobo yamu na omode ko because abani ni sika since one nya o man ba pa wo dwen o man ne ho a eno so be problem inti yesra aban no gold ni de ye wontwa na nani so nhwe kokoo na ye so aye ni gold ni bi no ye nhwe kokoo ni
but now what can be about eka but the IMF say the transactional losses and forex movement the exchange rate movement no any sa transactional fees no and no na see the ye say womo aboka
because omo interest e wo Ghana and say sika ye benya
no but say you and I know say ebia me kwa akoto ade anase azara ya ade bia mamia there will be fees that I have to pay intimate fees no and no should that be losses
organize
I say transactional fees
so loss or say transactional loss any anka few
listen or say the IMF states that the $214 million loss, about 0.2% of hold on, about 0.2% of GDP arose from trading, transaction fees, and exchange rate movement.
So who caused it? Who caused it? You see? No, the problem. No. The problem. Me back. Who caused it? The exchange rate movement. It is being managed by the government, and perhaps the priority of the government is to pump money into the exchange rate. So what boka? Me na boka ma. Ono na on abano. I said ono abana fat no say $1 be koso. Inti sika no the road so loss aba. One the boka.
Okay.
Loss aba ya abana na boka because abani interest ne say yenye first $1 na dollar ni stabilize and about when say cocoa crowd ya plan some person teso because of omu fee say ya ban papa dollar na ba from cocoa price no so follow
there is no evidence omu percent
yes omu percent mo teso because cocoa no eka bam nti abanu that is why ni interest wo nti no de na sam but ye percent nyema na omu di gu akon emfa somra na ye nuanu ma omu tifi omu nya adwuma nye ye no no mo wies ko mu nya adwumanye
all right medas yeah Azar
yes mamena atifo ase na na mahemfo ya nche omo am say enrechi ira sidu nketia ye national chairman na BPM wo ye regime in fact enra na wode na thank you to no eko na wiye na ira minister ye Brentum one ira health minister kando ebo modern edi akira in fact na kama pa na said sidu nketia esi energize base no I think say is the way to go matesa man for ka say what the test grounds na there na mza na say do na no an grounds no na grounds be mbi no be test enti ye na obia obo modern be share Eurasidu nketia ebra obo modern be PM ewo western of course wa be hu niam be hia yi a me gidi say okono ono nso be bo modern no de akwakoto man bani anim na ne wanim ya no abo modern aye say a good board asem na baby aminu yakofi edi wi no na me pese me koho kakra NPP for I thought be a mrebi me kase me de me no mu share radio so and biza mo say they fragmented it was different NPP because who share we the way the party be see kana sema party na so ma no and if for be share no en say akwakoye bibi basa ene enu etie ba be ka kokoko asem say aban ntimi ntukoko 2023-2024 sati fotia koko nyina no ye Ghana for ede ne ede koko ye eya brofo no ene bo modern e determine price na ade mai timle bia no se ye beton koko na the price bo beba ye twen de kwasiburu ni ede beba nsana ya hweso aye den atwa ye de koko board nhihye mu ene 8 years of NPP administration adea na yede ebo akuyafo kuyani wutie mi a ye fra bibi ye fra no syndicated loan eno eye bosin a ye ne abrofo no companies a amope koko amode ye chocolate ne niema ye de koko ye no ekotenase na yaka chiro bo se ye Ghana fo ye koko na ebi afi we ye betimi ate koko dodo sei enti moma ye ho sika no my projection no mo de bosin amaye Ukofi Abia wo aban 2023-2024 mo bo modern ekoji $800 million loan samo de ba beto koko kwani awutie amokoji sika no mu di wo manim because no mo de ba be 2024 January elections omu di sika no ema sebe koko a ewo sanka yetimi e de koma abrofo no yentimi ama me no kase 850,000 metric tons a ye shabro for no bono Kofi Abia ne nkrofo entimi ekoji syndicated loan no edi sika no ama abrofo na me no kase abrofo no ma yebosi abiem se momfa nkotoko mra atiefo muntie ne ye pa die Kofi Abia ne NPP aban eyeye koko sector mo se na ye kan mo se ma ye nka no syndicated loan amokoji ano madi eye loans aye koji ne ye dia babeto koko ombo modi koji sikai edi wo monuma koko no omantimi anye den anto amfanko eno wote ye kan den entiene wo awutie mi abrofo no te se de cd ya ba fom cd ba fom iron rods you kwani awudim se aba fom cement udim se aba fom friend say roofing sheet aba fom mo te se de onim re bia o se ya ba ne ye mo ne anwa minim se no nkwa na Kofi Abia de otimi tonko ade a obi a wotie mi bia bedi adanse se eniema ba fom Kofi Abia ne na ban NPP aban na mu gu koko sector yaba yesi ye reset nti se na ba be ye aban na se de abrofo no mai sika biem se momfa nkoto koko na abrofo na mai sika anka Kofi Abia on kan kire se yakwa kwaji syndicated loans ye de beto koko sa de no mo na mo se no aban bi atwam bia na yekọ na yakwa kwaji busia na ye de aba beto na wia ye de abrofo na de aye den akwa komo time dollar koko do 70 na mu wie akuyafo aye ka kire mo be ka kire say na ye projected no no maka wie anti wa wutie me don't fall for NPP for lies sisi a hini edru baby edru koko sector wa wutie afidikasi bia no achi me ame boss Sam Gerald na one Kayaso ubisa na questions am na kire niam bebre and I just don't want to go there. Yes, in government eto da bia niam bi ebeko achi akakra sisi aban na nkasa na wo so bom modern eto koko na ya to ewo ho no abrofo nam say see the netimi appreciate it said ye obia enim no the all no mponi yentimi nyusu nwie and that is the problem now okọ takra de habo sisi a cocoa ye to no November December nyina no majority of the cocoa na eda so ye port ni nyina ye den ayema because cocoa no was abrofo no ene ye bom model ye den e de komo mo nti ye kwani na se wutie mi a na ban we ama niema ba fom no kre nimanim de niema bi chia se ye nya ska ye to na otokra na they dey make us say aka e friend say port they are the nti no trust John Dramani Mahama say ye be fix it na if you hang if NPP4 de mokoji ye na mo ni na mo bom model na mo toye na mo de ko ye anka menyi this ye bedru ba bi na ya den ye dru because of munti no bosi a ye koje di to kuku amamfo a mo dwa so a aban o mo wo ba bi o mo hia kuku no o mo se o mo nye den o mo nye biem enye nwanwa because you dru ba bi no na friend say bond market kura no na munti mi nko ho emma ewiase nyina mansanjwa so nyina ka say mo aban no yakohwia ban tinya de so mbebo ampampa oma mo ebose na mba afia sabi wo mo ko pension ya da musika musambe wia ya ede oyi ne yeden and back to good board me wa wutie me no I think say obia opega na yie including some of the NPP4 na omu fi say Ghana eye ya ye nyina na ewo mu no na enye ye nua Kofi Abia mo they will never speak against good board because good board ya de bia ababe ye game changer ye ba ye obi enu awie sika na o kan faso enu regional finance minister Baba on the back say just about second quarter or so good board it me Ghana 960 million your friend said dollars akara so be bwa but what here was what you nya hu faso bia or Baba cancel 240 million your friend say transactional losses are working IMF Baba on Baba clarify say good board or more ka bia wo kojo ponkroma or year press conference e ma wugina so a wo de wo ka say Sami Jemjana good board aboka no Baba on UTV Baba ka say enya no kura ye yanka say good board aboka ye say Bank of Ghana nso ne o da so ti high kasama NPP esen editro what is transactional yesa ndi do bisa ho do what you say enti se si ansumpo no se de wiase siko no Ghana for any the youth no any edaho because of sa Friday say abefo say sem no this who can be Kofi Abia no very careful because the obe can be no will subject to verification timi se do bebre obetra na uditra no very careful timi nua wo hwe de ye nua Sami Jemfi e de abai say about 15% agreement money Gold Coast refinery aye no I dey say bitimi aboa se wutie mi gold I will gold that day obi say gold credit ye den na dem bonti na brofo tembia gold na omode omope me no ka say gold mre bia ye de koma brofo ye ton de call ye nye ho hwe bia e wo Ghana Sami Jemfi bai I think say on say gold board jewelries ne ade omode ye gold no de abrofo no ebeto edeko ekoye de no masan de abre ya bodin no aban we se da bi sa niema na ye sign $6 and san ye se akokra de abama sabe ye ho akire ye no ye be ye bi ha nti ho hia se ye tu gold e wo Ghana na ye pe gold niema atwa gi se ye san koto no ba bi foforo da bi na wonim ani je se o say sa Gold Coast refinery no 2016 awo Egyptian a private owned company 2016 eno mo bae 2016 omo bae omo yi ombi bia we John Dramani Mahama and a bomb modern eco inaugurate ye commission a private owned Ghana ye di ewo mu ye ketu abi omo botai nyina so omo nso e bomb modern refining good but not in the interest of a friend said the state and Sami Jemfi adaroma wotimi ahu say gold no dodo na ekọ amanone a ye kọ na ne de ye ne mansa na ye sande abado sisi ade Gold Coast refinery ye ne mo e ba be ye partnership ye mfa gold ne nyina nkọ ye the one I say every week be I say like 1 ton mewa 1,000 metric tons very of gold and what the ma a Gold Coast ye fresh refinery every week be how na che say emre bi be ba enya ade mpo say ye gold no ye bebo mmodi mpo akwa manone se ye kwa koton ana manone fo no nzubo be se gold free hair bado eso what into nzubo be set omo companies ni bi ye den e wo Ghana no obia abo modern a refine gold no e wo ha na sebe wo visionary leader te se ye Sami Jemfi John Dramani Mahama ene danwa edi mbiem na Kofi Abia obeka de afa saade we hu than to clap for the government and to clap for Sami Jemfi say Sami Jemfi is doing wonders. NDC2 led by John Dramani Mahama de ye mumu aban so mantimi anye bida Ntie for the Abenua Kayaso no bi a wotie saa decision a yenua sabe jamfia teki na on Gold Coast refinery for akambo ma omobo modern ababe refine gold ni bi e wo Ghana no e de nyuma eba e san de sika eba yesi de ya aye stabilize be san ahyimu kena na san aboa ama mpuntu nso aye den akoso e de ama oman Ghana. I think this is the way to go. Enyemre nyina e na yebebo modern akwa ama no na nyanwanwa yebekọ ho no nti e na kenuforiata preso obetena US na ye dina sem dan so obebo no ankasa ne dim na ye dina sem ba so benya Kofi Abia so obetena studio ado baba be defend. I think that's the next topic.
Me that's yebeko Kofi ho ma makoti Kofi ka but me pass down na pay for my Heaven View Hotel. Heaven View Hotel se men kan cho se wo mo very conducive rooms at affordable rates. Womo serve local and continental dishes nti upe fufu ne fried rice no okro ne ba nyina ukọ ma ubenya bi edi. Womo a standard swimming pool for both adults and children. Ubehunu Heaven View Hotel ewo Nzara Edmofua Heaven View Hotel ewo ene e obi nso ewo Sehuyo so Adiemra. Heaven View Hotel yesi free anopa nonkrowa kosi se ade BECHEM de bia no ma bia omopono. Nti for reservations and order please call 0244920902 0244090200 and 0549109505. So and menka or say Telecel Cash de obi aso be send keke just download the momo Telecel Cash app no na afei what download the Telecel Cash no what download app na wi no na o dey send usika keke ye enjoy he into Telecel de obi ase connecting energies a safer choice for you into send keke dial *110 hash and one no send usika no keke just like that. Telecel the connecting energies and pay what menka akumayare how diabetes how bema why mere won paso bema no nsusa wo de bra ye bema na ye kese e de amount wo da won na wo prostate problems how cholesterol no so ekosro don't worry hwehwe pest care what menka anapay ebia oba stretch marks adwo we de aboso wo fuso na pese wo tamine so flat also so awoto no esusa opese akese wo de oba pest care ye be ne nyina e de amount wo be wonu pest care ewo mpomam ye ne Church of Pentecost e de anim hwefra ye 0530 122 500 and 0268 477 660 pest care was a quality health ebia na oyare mamoso but we do ahwe pest care enso ya de nyina ntana pe me kan for density natural mineral water at the amount density obia agi atum your 500 mm sachet your 19.5 liter bottles no ebi ubetumi abaya so ye ewo number 27 New Return of Main Road and Abia Frey 0596604743 and 0208466256 enso Food and Drugs Authority AGA atum. Yes, Kofi. Opese kaka.
Yeah, I won say minua no asema ye ka no odwane fa me koko asem ne hia me. Na enya no kre. Say 2023 2024 season ye ko jisika. It is never true. Hwe
Azaya mani mpacho.
Well, ye wa bwahedu. Ehun say ye koko no ahode na ba form. Nti o kan say ye resist sika locally. Inti sika ye raise ye no ye de to koko 2024 no locally raised hwe na ye can say effect aba koko so akuafo won chom no nya hwe last year capsid osankom spray 4 months April, May, August and September but 4 months no months spray this is be work on months spray this is the mutum spray or western offer adabokum adwofua akontomra bodi isam debiso abibiani and bekwai this is the one spray boako dwaboso enchi ene dade so capsule workers nko omon tue omoka blackpot osanka spray no 5 months June, July, August, September, October but almost spray 1 month pe this is the mutum spray body dade so isam dwaboso na dai akwa no mutu omuka on pay district bibia ni boako akontoma enchi adwofa na adabokrum again cocoa board na afi bi omo package but last year Last year. What is the problem? What do you know about it? Last year, Cocoa board staff come on to me and you mubrunya. Yeah, cause the cocoa industry na gu. Anything na Kuafono enyesika. Hwe, mini azaka say sika cocoa na choku pot. Hwe, unse okọ Kumasia. Udu awaswa. When we dan kese na esi wo no. Adwuma be na ye. Cocoa no buswa na dia gum. Kop me brebi ni atwekọ. So okay say cocoa na abusu pot into enya nokre.
Na now say NPP aban ankwankwaji loan for 2023.
Omankwaji loan.
We are sure.
Yes.
The NPP government through the Ghana Cocoa Board secured a syndicated loan for the 2023-2024 cocoa season. Secured.
Secured.
Report me.
TSC no 2023-2024.
And I'm say no. T. Me say 2023-2024. Say yeah, season now. It started 2023.
Yes. Now got 2024.
Now so 2024 in yeah got to aban. Said you
are saying is 2024.
2024.
Okay.
2024. Yeah, secure loan. So when you do resist good. Look at this 2024. 2025.
Why
you secure
and 1 year? Yes. 2024.
But that's what I can say. Sanya mama bobo su nyina na ekoso. So who bisa ho say identity na mo abraso enkoso because I was saying say mama list capture the omugu here this omugu you want two omuka as this omude workers ka we didn't gang I want the omuka cocoa be say the subject of the matter is that cocoa farmers enya sika entu omuka na who kosa eno ne yeka so kunta obo majisika no modi mo da be nipa disika ogana ndi nipa disika dey na mo ye mo ba ye mo ya bo nkofo mo disika so mo ba ye mo tumi fa nipa ba kunta go jina court so it shows that when I'm not going to what do we
Owiana wa yi Owiana Kofin Pacho Kasa
it nipa mo say mo ba ye am for disika what happened to the ora why na oforiata ana mo ni abre so be e subject be ba o inti me ka say cocoa sector no ago inti mo ma mo hom so dance galamse na mo ni abra mo project galamse no ama fo twom cocoa e de ma galamse fu e no na mo ni abra ho yenso a yesebi cocoa no mo de ahwe na ye consense cocoa sector na gu enu mo nya no gu mo fo so
but the gold board in any way and now omo akase omo eto gold every galamse yeso gold board so to gold in free galamse
so me ba me bisa me first of me am say men sing gold go gold econo gold board try no minds do come gold board
mag gold board 20%. 20%.
So 20% in gold no matter
20% of their gold
and I'm saying 20% in gold board see go kwa watoni gold awatoni na any 20% nana
and I'm saying who be some men sing gold and I'm how
many tons of matter
and a gold board at all.
I'm telling you me and you me and you what's that kind of correct because we know second so what how did the guys sell their gold I'm talking way
where do they sell their gold
I'm talking way
that one there but gold board is on to gold every
so do you expect gold board come and tell the whole world that he's buying gold from Galamsey? Yes. Do you expect that but me and you we know say Galamsey because one who are the licenses of companies mom licenses where do you see them where do you find them mom licenses no where do you find them so yes mom put small scale money invest small scale on my hand so mo koko ni bia no mo ko gold board head office no ma ko tona kwazi I'm asking
wo ankasa wo mo bias wo mo hold on wo mo eto gold e de ma gold
western not the way western not the way kwazi
yes
asembo me and you we know yan kan no kre no say we are when say yan when you want na onko fo kwa akisu so mama mu chairman ko gold
omo akisu
no omo akisu mu
chairman be
anti chairman omo akisu omo akisu anti chairman say yes say wa money gold wa money 20,000 wa some money gold physical gold
wa money 20,000 wa money physical gold and all ye Galamsey and a chairman akwako say ne side
and no say Over the same site, no. Mama Umsika.
Yes.
Mama Gold.
Yes.
So, but the giver and the taker.
But the chairman doesn't condone negativity.
So why did the chairman collect that amount? For what reason?
I said no the breno. All the breno you also you know so why?
Unze unlawful.
Say.
So why you bribe?
Why you bribe?
And chairman na bribe. So
one go say in site na go be kan once.
And that is your business. Inti make say Galam's gold board no to Galam say good. I don't know because Galam say omo buy almost omo fight Galam. As we speak, they have not been able to fight Galam. Go and see the rivers. Cover in zone. I say, any of you.
And are you attributing all these to gold board?
Oh, say no motor.
To gold board na man should not say.
Any one call for to gold.
No, to gold board na man should not say.
Gold board na man should not say.
I'll come back to you. As
because gold now motor Galam say is good. And also almost say is good. And a motor.
All right. It now is a good board. Okay. As I am
you good board and rich 2025 year na good board board more than buy a pass law 34 say team na said no ankasa na ban ye nso ani de Galamsey essay o man no na no an secretary cast o mo ye Galamsey because party ni hieska na mpunu yegina so de to abaditi o mo no be ka se na nso na ni ayesa no good board and asa nipa no any guys will take it serious because Kofi Abia timi trafidi so e ka kire obi a o tie say no you are not serious no when you tell us say good board he's telling us
Isaiah hold on Kofi Mpacho you Isaiah what say Makacha say we are hypocritical and no waba what take you offense I agree woni onua na e kan say there are some words
like some so you serious
Mpacho na we use na umpa respectfully
on kan say me na mentwen say dey na say maka enye no asa meka me see contest am say onye serious say what's good board and am nsu ani ayeden asay and am say ultimate na ha e ka kire me manim ne obi a wotie say good board na nsu asay ya you are not serious for making that
and not statement word
no problem
matwa sign
thank you
matwa sign na say Kofi Abia timi ka kire say good board atifo and am nsu ani asay ya on kan kore that's a fact enye no kore kani ana Kofi nya no kore kani to tell us on live radio say good board e be nrechi about 7 months 8 months and am nsu ani asay pasa and professor from Bomb what in a report and emza one can be and NPP no emza one count mo na mo de Galamsey by other for an nam kra ya na yes obi defended na etija so don't even go there at all and the idea for the Kenya and say good board no so far enyanru anye we have been very successful you buy and guys ya Ghana to say heaven but I can tell you for a fact to say so far a performance that day with the to yanum 8 years now I think we've done better and the na Kofi Abia dwane but I'm very happy say finally no agi mu say 2023 2024 mo koji syndicated loan I was anko omode hu kokoko omanfa anko no 2024 2025 munya ska wa hena mode to kokoko omanya 1 cedi omanya 1 cedi amode to kokoko nti de Kenya na say ma say ho ade na ye ne abrofo ne kotena se no mabɔ mode ama ebosa me ye de aba be to kokoko no akuafo nsem no ene mu na mo say no to say dia waje atum say 2024 2025 there montimi anko je your friend say bosi bia wo da so wonko nti e bi no Kayaso I think say the harm ayenu am e koso Ghana ne de ade se bia no niam abebie am ye hu no kra den ewum
ma menda Isaiah Kwatin wa ha as a member of the NDC communication team was also a regional boss Emma Maslock. Sarah so and Kofi Abia also have but we share a story we are or say Ghana secures strategic partnership with China under 24-hour economy agenda. Na asema okanyina wa say a high-level Ghanaian government delegation has concluded strategic engagements in Beijing, China, securing a partnership under the 24-hour economy agenda. This was announced in a Facebook post by Deputy CEO of the Ghana Tourism Authority, Gilbert Abeku Agri Santana on Tuesday, January 20, 2026. The delegation led by the presidential advisor to the 24-hour economy, Guzi Tando, followed up on last year's official state visit of President John Dramani Mahama to China at the invitation of President Xi Jinping. Through the initiative of the Minister of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, Abla Jifa Gomashi, a memorandum of understanding (MOU) was signed at Beijing Language and Culture University to deepen bilateral cooperation in tourism, arts, culture, festivals, films, music, and culinary heritage. The partnership also secures an international exhibition for Ghana in Beijing, the establishment of Ghana China Research Institute for Tourism, Arts and Culture. Azar, ma free.
All right, I think 24-hour economy no one of the key policies are John Dramani Mahama prior to the 2024 elections. You know, a bomb modern a catcher Ghana for say, I may Adam na say, yeba modern running 24-hour economy. And no, basically no, certain businesses be pretty 24/7. Na namisi yankano kreye ba no. Ya lunch secretariat ya set up me no kase igusu a ye toto nema in fact oko habone DVLA ne some other places o ma shase dada o mo pre na said obosia develop in terms of technology ne sa de manema no for this government to partner with them no that should tell you say ampa aban no nani abre say 24-hour economy no obebo modern na wa implement say be ya betimi aboa eye Ghana for efa nyuma ene ne titire ya mabunu a amu nankasa so abo modern say MMDCs ni nyina no or the 24-hour economy market no so ayeden aba me no ka say nyame adom na say yetimi esiwie a ebeye bia bia ebeboa ama nyuma akoso pa because 24-hour economy no you need a security and security for no so no wo hwe ye ba e said ye see efa ya share recruitment processes I say at this time enye kumase enye takra de enye nkran na eye you also hire there na I can tell you for a fact say when we are able to recruit more of the security personnel are on beboa amasa 24-hour economy market na ye pese ye dey ba say be ya omo mpeso mu didwa omo mpeso moko security omo mpeso moko na esimuni ade betimi I increase the number. You say a beboye pa. Mind you say the A nyina me no e ba be kana ye nsha ase ne ye mfa adwuma ne ade on say no echi IMF4 ade ayi by say ya ye extension bi I don't know say bi am discuss say in about 3 months extension onim say e be end somewhere I think say May or so na ye pay 3 months extension would I say ejiska bia the purpose nti ama nema bi kwa say obetra ha na 24-hour economy na muntimi nye na say we for within that time do yem fa hye nema enu nti egusu a ye toto nema say bebo modern ya dey na hye nema and this 24-hour economy no wa wutie me bia no yes abana bob modern partner with our Chinese a friend said government because okohwa that is exactly what they do until for this current aban to partner them say enema bi ohwa ebebo modern na amonso aba beboa say be ya ye be implemented fully no I think say a right way to go what's your boy aban no abaso ba be for security for ba be for nurses ba be for a lot of other organizations yankra na wi a omuntimi nye dey enya opportunity no say be ya 24-hour economy no ebetimi aye amana ye kama I think say good news about no about modern a day aba
Kovi mamintio
oh my city is it good as I can we can say in 2024 August MPP launch $100 million gold facility in Ghana so
and we pay
no say you to an amount
and we pay
until MPP are starting
now me say and we pay Mpacho as
me see gold refining of gold me see ye initiative no
initiative
yeah
and I say and we pay
no city
and we pay
government has been involved in initiatives to boost Ghana's gold industry including the commission of a gold refinery factory specifically Vice President Mumba inaugurated the Royal Ghana Gold Refinery in August 2024, a 100 million facility that's expected to create 500 jobs. So we started with no problem. Sir, government consider. Is it working now? 2 addresses, so no.
All right.
No. Yes, we started something. So, 24-hour economy.
24-hour economy.
Now, me person, me share in this in here. Or chemi muyi. Ebi amentiasi. But, the omonkasa kai. Enya nubi no mokai you. Enya nubi no mokai. Now, as a topic out there by one of them call creative arts. And no more some partner. And no, they didn't delve into the discussion. Say a dear no baby because creative art there in tourism. Any creative art with the name baby. So that is where they are going to start the 24 economy nana. Yeah, we told them. My brother, no problem.
24 economy.
When they started making noise, we told them say 24-hour economy. And yet demand driven. Already the police service are operating 24 hours. Hospital 24 hours. Radio for 24 hours. And net bank account now operate 24 hours because when I need money in my accounts, I don't need to go to the banking hall before I can draw money. Just my phone and I just electricity we paid anytime 24 hours into normal year. Today you are saying airport in a way. More catch you say 24-hour economy a game changer. Yes. It's one job, 3 shifts. Today, meaning say, omuka man kolane ti asese. Adwuma baako nipa miensa beye. So President Mahama Krade a clock we see or say this is the 24-hour clock. This is going to do the magic. And today, you are limiting it to the creative industry and market. Na go from one nkem. No, DVR. Go for them on DVR. I'm go there. And you never from here ko DVR. So mo teto ya adwuma. Mesi, masa. Let me today, Mr. My two challenge am say anwumre. Me ne obeko DVR so mo ye adwuma nko for say no mo ye adwuma. You told Ghanaians, the youth of the country, that the 24-hour economy is going to do the magic. So if you are limiting it to creative art need a market there, then I'm sorry. And what catch you catch them say the 24-hour economy is not a policy but a demand driven because when you go to VIP station they don't sleep. Any national policy I will be a benefit. When you go to VIP they don't sleep. Meaning say senko for ne bar and a 24-hour economy because look at your journey ayewe ebo nanya kojira station wonawe ka bia ntu ka bia nko obi anton hwe inti 25 economy na mo ka say e be policy and na be game changer na me kire mo say ye de ka kire mo say it is not going to be say over no it's not going to be say obi abeye bi but a demand driven but mo ntie so 25 and today you are telling me say we be see market inti ye be market because but no it is the people it is the people that will make the 24 economy work because when you go to Joansi the boss says no massa and I'm telling you that it is not visible
please
I'm telling you it is not visible because massa yapon so me here bibi ojomo and ajumekwa ko digwa it is not visible dia mo ka cha Ghana mabunu a omunya ni da so omo so say ajuma baako nipa miensa Mose Moba appointed DC Mesa, coordinating director Mesa. Now one job station, what does it mean? One job station. You see, you fly to Ghanaians instead of you to go on your knees to apologize to Ghanaians. You are still defending. Instead of you go on your knees to apologize to Ghanaians, you are still defending. No, that is not what you said. So today you are limiting it to DVL. DVL, let's go there. And you know, no more. You are cracking on do you know I said no more? No one create 24 economy. So we told you say 24 economy there. And one day no ba. Last and not chamfi Kumase ba. Me do me fi akra. Me do Kumase. Be 3 am. Bantu na ho jame. And I'm some ko ginam kakra. E kakra na mko dai. So ko president Branto man. Omonda 24 economy no one day no ba.
Omo sha ase ala monda.
No say we no mo ho. Bantu ba bo mo operate 24. No. You can't teach me anything. You can't tech me anything. Mo asamo amoka ye me say. Ajuma ndi President Mahama wanka say one job 3 shift. Wanka.
Nobody's running away from that.
So why are you limiting it to market?
Oh.
What now? This is Yajima. This is Yajima. So this is the assembly. This is assembly. Are they going to run 24 hours or what? Huh? You see, asemo kano. Muntu mi because mo can say Ghana but the dia koten wo. Ye bra dada asitem. Ajuma. Obi apa adwuma ye nti mabro no nya gidie e wo mumu say oh say adwuma sam kwa dia ye beto mamo and mama example say me wo video no ho President Mahama say this is a 24-hour clock and of which that's going to do the magic and today you are running away from your own shadow. You are running away. So what, I think now I was expecting you to speak about the 1 job 3 shift but you didn't. You limited it to market. And also that is the division. Police don't go there. Police has been working 24 hours. They don't sleep. Police, they have been working 24 hours. They don't sleep.
8 years over. 8 years over.
Now what are saying? Who buy what for saying? Who buy it be now on can papers. On can papers. On can papers. Delhi, on can Delhi graphic. So police for police so you stop it. No, stop it. You stop it. And not change more this women's organizer more man and some. President Mahama kasa kwa kan. Say ye ba ye ba ye fa nyuma ye be fa mo party for o kan ko get the wanga say oba ai party for mfa mo nji o kasa Ghana for.
Na ye nka ho. Party for ye Ghana for.
So MPP fund omo ye mosin for. MPP fund ye Togo for. Me say MPP fund omo ye mosin for. MPP fund ye me say never
show phone no na
never that is
na read the one
omo ye for omo Togo for. You see NDC a party omo ye nada and I think say baby adu omo be bro omo say omo fi omo opposition omo because asem omo kan we told you and more money into probability no mo ko 1.2 billion. You buy 4.5 million. 4.5 million. Obia here. And today, Azara can sit in the comfort of his home. Now renew nema health insurance. Azara, you see, they Ghana for and say, mono moko social contract. Muka and someone muka no kwano. That is why I can say I'm a muka 4 years because Akufo Addo. They need dia koten one campaign and free SHS and you buy September. That's so. So the idea koten one semu. And the person more chance here. So time ben na obesi market and you know me and you we know say market yemfa one salesman in see market too because a cheap compound kwa salesman na amuka se mbesi kwa no muntu mi see back from no growth in the market yemfa salesman AC market in the kwala no mo wie school no
or say Isaiah say yema wom 4-year mandate so they have within the 4 years
ampa and I'm telling say your priority policy a wo kan ye and I'm just a 24 economy no me person me who say 133 ne be ye adwuma they should speak about 133 stop the market and
I remember Samijem Fika say be 133 and I do remember
President Mahama so kind
yes
so why are they running away from the 133 that is the problem but omo limiting it to market there me ni omo nya adwen and I make say market no say me hia bibi o market amekwa kwai DVL amomo kan say ya msi anwumre wo de mekọ na makọ say DVL 40 ho ye 24 hour economy ya police amoka say be go mo the police je di akoto mo ye miensam woman development bank kro amoka ye sika mo ye twae 401 million ya the 51 million na say mo nyusu a be kan 452 million ya chama 200 constituency 276 constituency josu ma ahwe obi akro nya 200 Ghana and this ma ahwe obi akro nya 200 Ghana
yeah ma wo 4-year mandate no and he lapse
4 years ni so afi na na ekodiga ma me na boka aba mo boka kwa 4 years ni so afi na mo kodiga hwe ene omo ka say nkokon ketenkete ene afi na last year de omo ye say omo say anye yiu nti omo jeff move for fonso de ama DC the DC is na resa okoresa ni ama 100 Ghana na dashim ba nkokon ketenkete na mo kan yo enyan ni nkwanche de no so kro emai 100 Ghana no evidence you see me I don't just feel I don't just speak I don't just speak I don't just speak so the other can say 24 economy there among the kasa keke
okay
we probably free mama
medasi thank you Anapay Mamemfa wo enko Apex Remedial School. Me wie. Ana show no ye. Hey, senior moderator.
133 Oh, is that going double like I can tell you. Maybe to see them.
Hey, Azaya. Apex Remedial School as if our bad bra na yemfa don fantitiem. Hodom ye jib mofra a omo kwotro nso hwa omo entwa. Ene omo nso so a omo epese omo etro nso hwe na omo enya results papa edi ekra. Enti for wafano ko Apex Remedial School. Hodom ye se akonya eda ho ema May June 2026 academic year for nyina quality tuition is assured. Programs with is general arts, general science, business, home economics and agric. Your weekdays classes and our weekend classes. Your accommodation. We want school hours here also. Fred Petty 40242130768 and 0549298369. Apex Remedial Schools empowering minds achieving excellence. Saranzo ena kunlunga na womo edi Araba Bazan tablet abejaso. Eye mama bema for you to be seen as a real man. Was what the ene Mr. Kill. Adru ebusu ewo bia eto adru bia kona kokojo de. Dodo na upe tu akokoto afre 0504 906 665 and 0545 906 665. Anapay may come for Recof group of companies at the amount. Recof a honum and alcudra. Ye tunton and yemanina ebi. Na ye wo makuma kumiensa and a share Recof group of companies ase. Ye wo Queen Elizabeth supermarket a honum no. Ye neman utmi etubi eko konton and a utmi ebanso ebetono makumako edi kofi. Bia ye neman ye tu eko konton a GPRT station mo wujunase. Buako anawi also taxi rank honum. Saranzo so ena oko eye apa amenfe bank na chi honum ena ye niema na ye ton ema obi atumeto maako e wo hono ko ne fie no eno nso e wo sara nso ena Recof construction and trading anapay yesi ye bie yepono e wo tano so ye hono ye main office no e wo se wo pe dansie ho niema cement floor tiles plumbing materials bibi e fa dansie ho de Anoa and Recof construction and trading. Yes, I ever young crabata be ever penacrum, you will be one yum, you will be war a takwa and a Castown junction. We bet me after 0244878466 and 0534212702. And I pay my mensan cow say Queen Elizabeth Hotel and so see a beer puno. A hojibia, I will bet me abba. Edwa ho ababedaho inti me kan for their ma guests ahodo loved ones family and friends and obibiara se onfa ni enchemu ewo Queen Elizabeth Hotel. Yes, several local and continental dishes, alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages in and inti hwehwe yen ewo se hwi also now so babon from apa aza now so for
yes minia I think say minia friend said Kofi Abia makachire Kofi se Kofi so betna radio so and say the air fan life say I mean nitro oh say an whole position minim me ba discotheque me ba okay
what say onyabotre nti wo so churo
make I say you onyabotre me ba ma o ma me who position if you continue to tone this lie wow on say one kasa waka say who could do your friend say ba ntama no mu ginam and I as usual uko jina mu bia and nti oh patch say 24-hour economy no bant ma kra no ebi ye de you see nti say one fa enema so one fa enema ebeboa ama wako jina mti say de uko jina mu fa business security what's a boost security what's a band na na ka ativuti kujira so what I say did the person sa 24-hour economy market na ye dey ba no on say wo hwe ye area na wo hwe ye area na ye wona media Kayaso ye the sa 24-hour economy market de ba bibia wo mbiu everything dey inside okaso do dey on to me I don't know when disco hu sa
na no na
me dem fa me ka ho na na mo tie bi so me fa me ka ho me be me tie me no ma ko ho okay ja ko mo be ba
wo na kwa ba wa no hwe
benefit
Kofi
no you don't drink
when our cars o ko jina o ba say asu dia ye no onu so kan jina bo
yeah yes you know say anti me no ka so ne ati for eti enye na seresem so 24-hour economy no e ya de bia aban ahya ase ya de eti bia no ye 4 years mandate no ebeba of course my yen ntum say enye ba bia te say de oka say ye befa DC miensa you see enye sa na ye kan yanka say ye befa DC miensa
Sada must one trade shift.
Tabio, yeah, say, TB. A man for bear rule. What you say? Even the private, private sector, no. Say, Ubo modern register say you want to be on road. Yes, so electricity, you better so. When near ma, say, I taxes beer, utia diama bayano. You better say, be a bit me a fat. Your friend say, Nipa bibri. Yanka say DC, you be fat. That's the DC, Bakuma. I know.
Never kwa radio. Yes sir.
Dabi
this is about 24 hours.
Dabi na kwasibro ni odini kuro ba
24 hours.
Oh this is don't go there. Don't go there. Nti abuja for minua.
This is a job. This is a job.
Odo ba buy no me this is.
Aban no ankasa. This is miensa.
Menjesa.
One trade shift.
Nyuma ye be go on the 24-hour economy no. And no be see. Ye be fa nipa.
This is original 24 hours.
Minia.
Are you saying say you be 3 ministers?
Was it 24 Pedro Mukano?
Oh,
no. Until
see Ghana for above the way you Ghana for above the way massa every time
24 hours. The minister say you say let you to say run 24 hours. Minister say you run 24 hours. Maybe so yes you
obviously be so
minister say run 24 hours.
You be 3 ministers. One ministry.
Yam minister me say nya DC me say bia me mfa don to generative for 8 years onye serious aka na otwe da ko decide o party say egu say ye denyo wo nka no ho asem ministers me say DC me say na ate a wo ye de wo ka therefore the Kenya na say aban no so far baby every 1 year on no the NPP for ntimi anye wo na wo te wo kai wo bei fu say na to e wo betra so mpo de obi na toma wo ni wo be da to fu aban papa aba ama niema ekoyie but of course menua enye ni nyina na within 1 year na yetimi ayeden aye onse na no pe na obo yewura friends MC Abaso or yeah de na nya mo criticize they also no so bo models obeti aye no aye oye na mo bo na Abaso say I think say light bi no na bi obo model aye den affix sanity 1 year on oba afofro da nya no timi ye yo on say be 1 year on afei no obo model etimi affix ne ma bi ti de aka nyina no say ne ma ase no Ghana for to aba ma say mo models ye be den ye be fix na ya setena mu ne ma ye den akoyi e de ma ye nti bi no Kofi Abia ba bia wo ginan e ho toro nti hwehu say Bia no Ghana for you see when you are talking to us Nyabotro so position who ko position attempt no and Ghana for no they won't take this say they will see they won't fine until they Ghana 40 you know you don't come and sit here and speak and twist it saga the bubefu mini amenye sa dia ye kai no Ghana ni no 8 ye nti me metra wo nye opportunity na don't try to twist it wow Yanko the next issue.
All right. Kofi Mame na wase na ye Kofi asia kwa kwa discotheque ababi. All right. Mame fazia. Ana Mame fasi dan fama Ken Roses Hotel. Ken Roses Hotel SA womo ewo accommodation edema ahodo womo eba nyina womo ewo spacious car park womo ewo restaurant womo ewo bar enti for woni eche womo so ye honum womo esanso so ewo conference hall kese a eno so no womo ede rent enti ko na onso so kokoda ho na experience nia ema ohoho eni eje so wo ye wedding event bi na wo ye a obehia caterers e wo ho no mo bi di dwumadi ama wo mo e wo bi wo mo esanso eye occasional packages bi say food basket and birthday packages wo mo ye di nyina ye say akwanya abeda ho no ama obi a opa adwuma e wo ho enti so wo ye obi a wo ye chef wonu obi a wonu aduane no yi wo ye waiter ana waitress dia wo mo esesa nkofo nyina ye pe wo mo afa wo mo adwuma eno nti Frecken Roses ene anopai 0246117969 and 0270034972 anapai ma yemfa yasem a etwato emrai na the case involving Ghana's former finance minister Ken Ofori-Atta the United States has been adjourned after he appeared in court. Enra. Sisia Ken Ofori-Atta, Yarabe Tomoni say April 27, and now Obesan Akwako PM ewo court. But Kovi Ken, wo share baby as Sisia or Nankasa ne nipedia ne bra wabo. Oh ya ma that very image to me enya the man ho nyina no. Ya tonsuo mu no. If you were to advise him, the opportunity has been given you. Advise Ken, and if you were to advise him, and can then advise the other Ken, I was a baby yadri. I want the US in some.
Right. Maybe there be American. Say Ubi, Kwamboneso wa disika. I'll say Yadin Fabra Kwanso because Obeka say Kufuado offer the ministers or can't you say. Se o pese unye sika ko private sector meaning say obo nka ye say se okoye drum ni katati say onko na oko na ye nua pani Ken Ofori-Atta di adenti na abanesa em say edu ba bia na me pese aban no e beka bebre because aban to aban Ken Ofori-Atta nyo bia different o ye former finance minister so aban to aban adenti na emfa na ma we ni issue we abai enye se bia wakodi boni awe ye nyina nim say wa overstay ne permit na ehun kɔ ne ba but media time asem no sha ase no o kan say ne ho dodo no so time anka ne ho eto no o san ka oba na obeyi na no because yes ma diska minisika ntia de no se me ho kire me akura o se maka menwe ma ba o mini o nti eduba bia na amanfo no edesomo no ebo MPP aban president Kofo me kai se tema na president Kofo no o kan say in semoninti ena etu obi adin ndi so wo na bam na so kodin semoni anako sebe nsem enwu hia odin ne ebebo so the MPP party has nothing to do with Ken near tradition ni problem so media situation okomi as obi a wabobra mekura sebe me kokoko farmer no me mpese meko sa situation ni dan se obi a wabobra waboye japade bebre aden yes wo diska o si miniska aden na also go through stress minim say I appear April said then was still a police custody. So
yes, still
what is that?
In detention.
Huh? What is that?
What is that?
Say me te ya ikrano na ka say me chefie me fie me tim na ban ka say ma me mpie be 3 months. So me there and some cause no I feel bad for him. Inti say time says that man time na we I'm praying say time na so am fa na Ghana na de obi a no aban ne nka because I didn't know because through distress I will never do such a thing because at least you na mo crown from my fire hon crown me no da ne say na ya shell say shedam so me nua pani Ken baby o bi a na so be ne che me advice say
mpacho mami obenya kwan akasa ma ebere no ko
munya Kufuado din ni mfi ne ho because says yes say ostane trial Kufuado ni o what was that yeah oh ndidi ye kan fu duafo no achacha ene ye kan fu no so Kufuado afa wadwuma se koye adwuma en o ka kire mo ye Ghana ha ye nyinati se o pese onya sika ko private sector so se wo ko this Ghana se de o ko mra no ni o mra no obi antete obi anso nche mra no Ghana constitution obi anso nche Ghana constitution intimidate situation mini open Ken Ofori-Atta okum no me de ehame inti says ya de since April and sana watumi anya a next window ndi ya be bompa ye say time no so omubeja na watumi abagana na ne nsema omode abono wobetuma be yan.
Okay, Azaya.
All right, mama na wase na yensan na MC ase and Kofi so omobo adwuma within 1 year I think so we are very okay with the omoye no. They only need to add more. Kind of I think so for the first time and then minu ya Kofi Abia wadwane aka no kre kakra ewo eye ken why ye ba obe defendi mama nka mase mama ene atiefo na menu Kayaso
yes sir
o say yes wo dwane Nyankopon a wo hye nase o on dey ato a friend is ken Ghana mpodi anka bia yemfa ontumo because ye wo ha ene ye ko ni fie keke Kofi Abia amoso munti bi da say a friend say yoko ne national security for ayede akoni fie amo ye ho protest nyina amo mo youth organizer friend say Mustafa something on tiasie mi wa ken so no ye mo finance minister Salam Mustafa
finance minister.
Oh, na NPP na mode mo my finance minister. Don't run away from these things because we in America say Kufa dunia o se ma men kan sa. Enunti no nanka yenim se anka mo NPP fo mpo no. Ye se Ken National Cathedral. Ni nua Akufo-Addo ka say ono a ne besi onfa 1 cedi kura ye Ghana sika nkohyem. Ye take over no. Ye se sika $970 million akwa ko rem.
97
million akwa ko rem. Me pacho me ba enyesa SML deal. Ye se o kenufurata onsa ehihase. Dream kakraka pa eye SIC na eye state insurance a friend company obesesa na ye no a friend say enterprise insurance company ye wo de ye se bosia oboma Ghana wo de bank din na boy na ebia so no wo je ye friend say a percentage and unto utimi bobosia to the tune ekonya 700 something billion ene uni Ghana adenti na okoye wo sere Ghana fo kwan e bra na waban wo so say ohu ododo nti wo ne Kofi Abia na NPP fo hia no yare emre bi o mo di video bi kura bae na chese ampa Ken eda e friends ampa so 3 weeks na Ken esere yo on the letter no koma frema opare ye Kofi Abia ono ankasa na chief of staff na osere kwan say okọ 3 weeks no Kofi Abia mo ne NPP for defend Ken na se Ken yare okohwe na pomudim eduba bi no masaka che say o madia de yenko trial absentia Ken ye kromfo. I'm sorry to use this adenti na America sa what modern ya revoke visa e wo US baby a Ken status adri ne manyina kra wo fine ye revoke ya na wo so ya we say wo overstay eye watomra fine
oh na ne visa
was revoked
wo mo revoke
yes
Some
I didn't call Interpol. Tama ya didn't go to
Interpol. Up to November 29 to leave.
Oh, mano.
No problem.
Why is the story saying that he has overstayed?
Yes. After say man is 29th November to leave, you know. When
Samre no costa tip. Samre
no mo kwachi right. So the lawyer for no ojiro mo de court. The court o mo ne court na court see. O mo no da say. Na oye den a o me deport no.
Yo, anunti wa nkasa wa nwu a ana obi ankuwa se wa bewu sesie ya Ghana mpo nya ade se bo anka se be wuntumi mpo oye wudi wa ye kra se be se onko da afiase bia apart from say yokufo man ho fa na kitwa bia usun ye enye no onenam ha what you say no onye sagro no what is he running away from one kasa ukuro aba o mai Ken se na ta de fitai na se sabe o ko tu bible ya eden na asesa asema ye kenyina ne se brabe yi niema bia no ukwen so wase yakobu ba bia wudwane yakwakohye no wase yakobu omomra so nti hwan mpo na unjustify say ene enzempa ye kare no kre because na Ken tu anamon say obenya friend say green your friend say paper na nka waka hopreko ano ka humpo na ma US aban Ghana ato sa a friend visa then so because when you have people like Ken Oforiatta Numa
you're allowed
they're allowed enti ma men kama sem enti menua wo hwe Ken ni suban wada da dia I won say na US mra na enya no yo nka me pese Kofi Abia mo ko US or nka mo ko demonstration enti and before na ho no mo nya demonstration say US aban no onyi Ken Oforiatta oh, enti the year Kenya na say after 2070 no. So it's 2070. Oh, kwa kodema ha to 2070 pra. I take Ken aba. Enti mo as a party mo ntimi issue official statement impo on this.
Na the party national. Party national.
Na nye party di
party national. Onam ne kwan as Ken Oforiatta. Ene ya che no as Ken Oforiatta.
Ose na go.
Ndi MPP nye dey.
Agona mo di na nye o.
MPP nye dey.
Banifobi ba na wo waja o ile ma ofie. Ose wo ye pekete. Say MPP from produce Ken. Ene azo no. Enya Ghana mamu a obi akwa ni minister. So akwa bibi na zanya.
Enye obi akwa wo ti.
All right. Ama menna Kofi Abia ede Azaya ase. Anape amemfa o emko Aso Lodge. Aso Lodge ese wo de bra. Womo de womo ewo rooms wo honom executive rooms womo de bema. Ye wo pool, ye wo restaurant, ye wo bar. Ye several local and continental dishes. Interape free na book reservation 0540-192-195. Aso Lodge ewo empomam Kokobot. Wo enta Kokobot a wo say womo signpost in esi won. Wo follow be work no Aso Lodge say womo ewo ho. Bibia nso kama ewo ho. Go and experience na bo sampa. Wanya biapa ada anape yentie kakra 05363040720322296342 na yenjemu emfama Mr. Car Wonders ntana pay enkomo ya dini fia no wonso wadwe nkyere ebre no enie mentie nia wo edemai anape. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mami ntie anape.
Amenda mini abema Azaya say wa boy di maden anape. Na menkanche mini abema Abia mse enne aye wo mui obia de nisika bra obi anya na je so ton koko abakrom abajinani ama omahu enne esanse iron rod bo abafom ya kana se cement bo abafom nti obi ton koko ria o de ko bra senya be ya daase obenya bebi ene ne mba ede wo musi ato nti se wa hu se oma moton koko abakrom abaji wo mani a ene na me ka kire ne se omo de bo bla ene obi afa no ho adwen obi ani ho obe na adwen se obe ye sika basa this time ndi se o ma hu se kokofu abakrom abaji wo mania ende na asechire no na ofori
yeah that's avem ma me bread nti ma me mfa o izu wa ye monitor tito. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes sir, Major Paul monitor ma me bread nko
yo Kayaso bi da sipa me chia onabu Kofi Abia na ma chia ba munya obi obi aso ono a 31st edeneko nya de buga kan se Oforiatta se de mo kano nya yitu se obi ejifika ne Ghana ne be different no embo no se ndi se ejifika kama ku on so sabu so mo ye ne dai so the phone number ya mu cha wo mo no cha 50% se ka 40 so mo kan wa tambai ana mi bisa medase.
All right, medase. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Me pacha wudi no asem.
Test Kolisu Minte General.
All right, General, me too.
Meda say me chia no abugafo nyina mgidi so bia so ho ye. Menua nyame ebi na ni nyina ye di sua ade. Ye nua pani ye apa ye ofa en Oforiatta. De ekoso no se ye busuani a beware arohosa ma opa. So obi a wa bobra gidi kesesi na wa ukwa ofiso on person about ba ukro enye na ge ka asante amanyofo pa se munye power na mo hwesu ye pa me de nyina ho ase.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Kayaso.
Yes.
Good morning, Kayaso. Kayaso na what say?
Mpacho yeja.
Kayaso ya God ni o ka se free say you approve.
Mpacho yentio.
Kayaso radio na pedi mema nfo nyina adwuma na matcha honorable ammonia. Na me wi matcha control MP Pius Nkoa. Sha na pa. Papa, me de minifi kan o. Ka ase board won some see na ado no. Ujai see ye kum kwa see ye some say $5 million as $5 billion say you sa gold no sika no gold no nya free he fa odi kugu ho no gold match na de ma wo mu ana yi hene galamsey no a no ma nsuo nyina say no wagine mu ama galamsey ase abesa we yi ani no John Dramani Mahama ne na ban no pese o mu ye se na bibia tuka wo galamsey mu no o tia the carry Baumia and the ma hu the whole Ghana economist chiri mu chiri ama me abi ko school da bi mu se economist ne mu tie edu ra bi nu Ghana ko akwa shege na so no ta se ya ma mu nyanya atwom sa sama mu nyanya atwom sa na John Dramani Mahama ban bi so ye ma Ghana no obeye reset president oguso munya
I don't want to watch. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello?
Hello?
Asembe Kurani. Okay. Men for the minti on so I say good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho kasawai.
Good morning, sir.
Meet you.
No. Kayaso na na pa robo ju mu da wasi. Ni robo ju na. Da na pa ni me cha ata tu ko. President. Dishi ni papa pa me cha wa na. Na kama si mtu wa Kayaso. Ati kifuna mu ni
online breaky. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Ajampacho within WhatsApp.
I'm about to be busy, so for so much and then for business.
Okay, Mr. For you,
we can about so now that's our panel on the members. Maybe the send me cook any thing. Less than time my now cook. The best rabbi, Like I said, that Tuesday. You probably move a Kumba high say, on my standard. I'm not carry cocoa for the past 3 weeks. Almost and Kaska. Obiba school. Obi kwa ba be gija wa nyeska nija. The best buying your diner and your private sector buying your say boss obeboy no to cocoa no cry 7,000 Ghana and what you so.
Okay.
And to say cocoa no dey on why na the Sankaska.
All right, thank you. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Kundom.
Yes, sir.
I'm Pacho Osman. You do not friend about Papa.
Osman Kasawa, my brother, called to Bonnet, tell mommy.
You, Mamma, was say. No, me, Busa MPP, Nini say. No, Kasa, you say the 24-hour economy, a beba, a DC film, and so. Let me Busa say. Omubai omuka say omudi one factory eba no yen a contomra ye dey way ana me say Busa say one day say $1 million no omubai yen hu be be size can edit commodify enti mubai mo enti na anya hwe na ndi ya ban aba no tutu ne ma patro e swatio ana ye say emo swatio anwo swatio dollar mudi koya ko do 17 cedis say dollars ejina say 10 cedis. And the Abamba way are by dear. Who didn't from home to 2 NDC Abaya? Yabe, area to 2 near Mamma Ghana for one.
All right, Ma Memfa AC Ewa Hada Memfa, my last caller, Ewa Age Media so Nana Pay. Na Yan sorry, na Mr. Kawandes Metro also. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Where am I last caller? I say.
Me dasipa. Me pache friend Brian. Me kase free baby. Ni tano dumasi.
All right, Brian. I'm into you.
Yo, Kayaso ya dawasi eni ejuma pa oye. Na yenu anu mandisi fo. Papa mi pa mo omo chow omo ntombo ase. Na juma na eda hono. Enye easy. No easy enye ni say. Omo pesa omo expose ba omia. Eki omo diskani nyina $1 gum. omo di $2 gum ba omo hu say the more dollar ni ye no nyema be brain na be say sa se mo omo sha ne so pa record to the more dollar no ye no nyema be brain na be say it omo hwe no mo fitiri ma ye no mo nya dollar ba from na no de en fam mai
medase na me sha ena won so wadwen hye me de besi ewa ase yemfa ofrephobia ebiem yemfansi na yensore dwumade so mystical wonders babeto also kovi quick one
yeah 1 minute you better na akwabi obi can say akontomra ai one district one factory no ebi
wo sese omo de we
na nti onti akontomra nti okoboka so no esiwo okan no okan 210 okoboka so a ebi wo na ye mo and then this buy eniwo na PPP maybe they are doing omo operate sompa rice o
kasanam de ye
sompa rice so na no ho nti ye say ye dia hwa o say me kan ai say this miesa ase kan semon ese ye nyina ye tie ni
sa wo say 133
yes o say 133 and na me bi say o say this assembly on be adwuma 24 hours am
this assembly on be adwuma
it na me say so mo ye adwuma 24 hours this is desi want to mean 24 hours awo ye nipa nti say na o man panika say 133 o say nya this miesa coordinating directors miesa
minister
miesa the 133 na say no 133 na say no
okay kofi bi da say
yo ye ko na mini abia ma catch us say you have less than 1 week o party no say ko na ni ko na chiu me tra me yes our propaganda no mesrel pa eno nya wasem madika kana ze eno nya wasem
metwa so ko
we betwa so de ken an say abano anga we twa so samba abano bon homoden yo ye be ko o say o de me ko akogire m die be ko die be do bia say abano bon homoden
Mamenda za kwa ati asina menda kufia